Hello. Oh, I forgot to shuffle the music. Hang on. It's the same. Hang on. Hang on. All right, it's on shuffle now. Hello, everyone. How's it going? How are you all? Hey, Parrot. Hey, Shinshi. Hey, Unwise Bass Boy. Hey, Leviathan. Hey, Wolf Time. Hey, Gatra. Oh, and hey, Chaz. And hey, Woon. And hey, Chaz the second time. You're in both chats. And hey, Ankle Blade. Did I start with the head pats? Because I forgot to turn it off. That's how. That's how it happened. How are you guys? How's everyone doing? How are you? Hello, streamer Skygreat TV. Hello. Hello, hello. I had another test today. Head pats? I mean, if you insist, I will. Thank you so much. I had another test today. It was really hard. I got a little cooked. I think it's okay. Did I win? Ow. Technically, yes. Yes. But, you know, I feel like I lost. Final's fun, huh? Yeah. The good news is it's the language school final, so if I fail, I just redo the class. It's not like nothing happens. My life is completely fine. I might actually retake the class anyways. I feel like I missed some stuff, clearly, if the exam was any indication. I might run it back. Speaking of running it back, TX Pang. Did I check out the attack animation? I did. Do you guys want to see the attack animation that TX Pang made us? Oops. Sorry. That was rude of me. This is the attack animation. You ready? Oh, there's an ad. There's an ad. I'll wait. Make an RPG? Not quite. Not quite. We're making like a Fire Emblem style. Okay. Put the annotation block after function declaration. Are you sure about that? Oh, yeah. Yeah, you're sure about that. My bad, you're sure about that. We're making like something close to... Play my game, please. Making something close to like a Fire Emblem style game. Hey, Shakel, how's it going? Foxboy doing? Chura Demiso. Chura and Viridian have been like fighting and dying on this hill. So, yeah, we're making like a Fire Emblem style game. And last time, I made it so that the Infect actually has an attack range. So we should be able to actually hit people now. Isn't that cool? These things don't despawn. And also the character doesn't like work properly. Like if I click this button, I can't actually select anyone, but we're getting closer. And also these need to despawn still, but we're getting closer. But anyways, let me show you. Let me show you the animation that TX Pang made us. So when I attack, it will do the following. Stab. Get him. Get him, dude. Stab him. It's awesome. It's awesome. It's so good. Just keep failing so you stay in Japan forever? Infant visa glitch? Yeah. I don't think that's how it works either, but look, my whole arm is the stab. Isn't that cool? This is RP? RPG? I mean, if you take RPG to be role-playing game, then yeah. There's like stats and stuff, yeah? Look at me. Look at how evil I am. I stabbed you. Congratulations, you're on my team now. Very stabby. Thank you. So I'll work on that. There's some other things I want to finish up first, though. So I want to finish the gameplay loop today. Like, I want to get everything mechanically done. Purple shirted? Yeah, that's how we became mods. That's how all of you became viewers. I came around and I gave you a little stab, a little poke. You thought it was Parasite? It was Parasocial, baby. Haha. Yeah. Okay, so to finish the gameplay loop, let's see where we left off. Actually, before any of that, do you guys want to hear a song? You want to hear not this song, a different song. Let me pull up my Spotify real quick. So, listen, have you trademarked the game already? I'm so sorry. Why do I want to be stabbed right now? Is the Riz that strong? A song. Yeah. I got a song for you. So, this happened this morning. I was studying for the aforementioned test, right? And when I'm studying, I usually listen to Liquid, like Liquid Drum and Bass, right? It's nice. It usually doesn't have, like, words in it, right? Let me play you a little sample, right? This is a song called Blue Spark VIP. Now this, you can't really, let me turn it up a little bit. This is what the music I usually listen to when I'm studying, right? It's like lo-fi, but for people whose brain is a little more wiggly, you know? It's nice. Doesn't really have lyrics, right? It's just good ambient music, right? And I had Spotify. On like shuffle mode, like recommend me new music mode, right? So imagine my surprise when the following song comes on. Here's the first part. This is in my Liquid Drum and Bass playlist. this is different, right? This is a little weird. This is, what's going on here? Maybe this is just an intro or something? Now, hold on. Yeehaw, it's a little yeehaw for now. Just you wait. Just wait, right? What is this? This is a total different music thing, right? Then it goes like this. So, what in the pop country is going on right now, right? Now. The musically inclined among you might hear something going on in the background right now. Was that the amen break? Did I just hear the amen break? Possibly. Anyways, let's go back to this country song. Okay. Breakdown into dubstep? Just wait. So I'm like, I'll give it a chance, right? What's gonna happen next, right? What genre is this? Where are we right now? This isn't country anymore. We're like in silico era of pendulum. What is? I mean, it kind of goes a little bit. Why is there a riser? Hang on. There's a ri. Where are we right now? What is it? This song slaps. I actually really like it. I like it a lot. Country rock for like 10 seconds. If my brain bleeds, stop it. I don't know what this is. Yeah, it's the Wild West. It's like the wild EDC. I don't know what this is. It kind of goes though. Like, I'll give it up. It's pretty good actually. The song is called "Better Than Gold" by Justin Hawks and Andrew Hellier. Yeah, here you go. This is what it is. It's some I like songs now. I like this. Redneck Step. Yeah, I feel like that's kind of accurate actually. What is the? It's drum and bass with the guitar. It's Kentuckian bass. I'm so confused, man. But pretty good. 4,200 like song. This was higher. This used to be more than this. Spotify a long time ago had a feature where they limited the amount of like songs you could have. So I had to call my liked songs. I think I was up to like 8,000 or something. I listen to a lot of music. Banjo and bass. Perfect Chino me. That is exactly what this is. Holy shit. Yeah. So I needed that happened to me and I needed it to happen to you. I'll go back to the chiptune now. You're welcome. But yeah. So what do we call this? Wild West in 2123? Yeah. It's like the wild cyberpunk. I don't know what was going on there. Yeah. I was just in a Starbucks when I got I took psychic damage from a random country song. There you go. Like I said, I just wanted to spread the love a little bit. Speaking of spreading the love, I need to post my stream in the gross place. I need to do it. We're gonna do it together, so that way I can share my pain onto you. You ready for this? I'm gonna go to Discord. Does everyone know what I'm gonna do? We're gonna go to jam streams. No one even posts in here. Isn't this sad? It's me and one other person. You know what I'm gonna do? I forgot to post it. So gross. Anyways, I just wanna make games. I'm gonna make some games. Let's make some games. Let's make some games, dude. Where we last left off. We're fixing the attack thingy. So I can do this. I should be able to click infect. It shows me the range. I should be able to click a target in that range and have them die and become a character on our team. Call it 6-shot cyber revolver. Chino me? God damn, that's cool. That sounds like an endgame weapon in like Borderlands or something. 6-shot cyber revolver. Damn, that's cool. I just read to the overlay guy. Hey TXPen, can I use this sprite for like everything because it's the best? Can I use this on? Can I put it on the overlay? Can I put it on my Twitter? Can I put it on a T-shirt? What am I allowed to do with this thing? I love it. I love it so much. This is the coolest sprite I've ever seen in my life. And what am I not allowed to do? Maybe that list will be smaller. Disgusting. Do it again. Crypto dumps what you're currently listening to on Spotify out to a file on a server. You can serve to other things. You can pull it for a Discord. Ooh, pretty cool, man. Sure. Hell yeah, man. Hell yeah. Want to make an animated T-shirt? Would buy it. I feel like people do. I feel like I've seen that like EDC or something. It was like a Delta room weapon, so yeah, I did the gun. 6-shot cyber revolver just sounds like a cool thing. I want that. It felt weird even for me. I'm sorry. I had to witness it. I feel bad. Don't think you can finish your game paired? Can you make a smaller version of your game? We still have, by the way, 4 days. We have a lot of time left, so I think that's probably plenty of time for you to like scope down the game a little bit, maybe, and still come up with something. I believe in you. I think you can do this. I think you got this. I get commission for every t-shirt sold? Absolutely, dude. Done. Are you kidding me? Yeah, commission. Yeah, what? You think I wouldn't do that? Do you think I'm the kind of person that wouldn't do that? Gotta go. See ya. Take it easy, Woon. Thanks for stopping by. I appreciate you being here. Hope I see you around again. Want to play all these games? So I think on Monday we would normally do like variety games, right? And I put the vote up for the variety games for Monday. But I think what I would prefer to do is play a lot of game jam games before. Okay, I gotta go. Good luck with the game. See ya. They're muted. I gotta wave back to them. See ya, Shaquille. They can't hear me, so I have to type. It's a little bit rough in the finals week, so it's a little hard to fit the game jam. Yeah. I mean, look. This is the best part about the Wild Jam. Actually, I feel like people undervalue this a little bit, but the fact that it's like literally every month means if you don't finish this one, like there'll be another one. Don't worry about it. You know what I mean? Totally fine. I really like the repeating ones because it's less pressure than when like you see one come up and it's like once a year, it's a 3-day game jam. You're like, oh god, so hard for that, right? Oh baby, that's gonna be a rough one. I've added footsteps onto the game. It's ready. Hell yeah, dude. Hell yeah, Leviathan. I'm excited for Leviathan's game too. I just need you to enemy AI. Have you considered walk towards player? That's what I do. That's my strategy. Watch, you ready for this? If I move my guy here and I say wait, watch what he does. He just comes here. He just there. Walk towards player, dude. AI. It's a little more A than I, but it gets the job done. You feel me? Cool. All right, so this is what I want to work on. I go to here. I click. Are you gonna flip the sprites at all? If you're on my team, you're gonna be facing to the right. If you're not on my team, you're facing to the left. That's what I think. So I'm gonna click infect. It shows me the range. And then I should be able to click this. I should be able to click this guy, and it works. Yeah. I think we can do recoloring too, but for the base gameplay, if you face right, you're on my team. If you face left, you're not on my team. So probably commented and optimized. For a second, I wouldn't look at the code. It's a mood, dude. Hey, Rasati. Hello. Welcome in. How are you doing, man? How are you? Rasati is the one that has made everything but me in this game. I still need to flip the grass too. To the new Rasati finished the grass textures. I'm gonna finish gameplay stuff today, and then I'll make it look pretty tomorrow. I think that's my plan. Okay, I click this button. It shows me the range. Perfect. And then I'm going to click this guy. Inspire me to start participating in the Wild Jam in the future because I didn't know about them before watching you. So thanks for that. Chinchy Psycho, I'm so excited to play your game for the Wild Gem. Are you kidding me? Hell yeah, dude. Oh, it's the best news I've ever heard. So excited to play your game. I can't wait to see it. Next month. Yeah. Okay. I click this button. It shows me the range. I then click this guy. When I click this, I need to have the mouse, not you. I think that works because I am higher up in the thing, so I'll get the signal first. And I can mark the signal as like consumed. So how do I want to do this? Let me think about this. So we're here. We're right. If is Skype here. If we're not selecting targets, else check if it's valid targets. Is this event actually firing when I click that other tile though? I don't know. It should be, but let me check just to make sure. Because I need to mark, if it is, I need to mark this event as handled. They probably are this kind of thing, but I couldn't see in your about page. What software do you use for your avatar? Looks great. So this is animated through VTuber Studio, and the art itself is from Dyer? I don't know how to say their name, to be honest with you. It's this person on Twitter. They made my model for me. I commissioned them. Won't be able to watch today because of school stuff, but I'm working hard on those characters in that terrain. Take your time, buddy. I'm so excited for it. Gotta go. See ya, Rasati. Thanks for stopping by. Spent all afternoon implementing settings menu, but I made copy and paste it from an old project. The best. But you can change resolution and turn on AA. Hey, Pert. That's a lot of things. Are you serious? You have AA already in your mouse? Okay. That's pretty tight, dude. Iurure. What? Irure. It's Ming91. That's how you say it. You look at the original name and you just pick that one. Iruri. Iruri? I think it's Iruri. I think this is an I, but I never know. I never know. I'm sorry. Yeah, they're super great. I worked with them to make the model. I basically sent them a picture of me, and they did everything. It was awesome. Thanks, man. I like the stream. I'm in Tokyo too. Oh, this is because my English coding streams. My time's on, dude. I hope you're enjoying Tokyo. I love living here. I want to move, but I love living here. I might want to try like I really like Kyushu. I might want to go live there at some point. But for now, yes, Tokyo is awesome, dude. Oh my god, I love it so much. Hey, Bank, welcome back. Welcome back. And the other thing is just setting the project settings, but the settings do just get saved locally. Hey, perfect, dude. Perfect. That's more than my game doesn't save anything locally. You reload the page. Hey, that's a brand new game. That's a fresh version of the game. Isn't that crazy? Okay. Let me see if this event is firing. Have you been quiet lately? So I actually pick a time in streaming such that my neighbors are not home, because they could definitely hear me if they were home. They get home late at like 10 or 11, and then I can hear them. But they can't hear me, no, so. That other day that like I could hear them a little bit was an outlier. Did I test with other game engines, or did I pick Godot and North? I used to use Unity a lot. I switched to Godot after the Unity explosion drama. And then once I was using Godot, I started noticing like game jams specifically for Godot, and so I kind of just stuck with it ever since. But I really like Unity still. I've said it like a million times. I think Unity's awesome. I was a little bit miffed by their different like their licensing changes. Oh, this isn't working. Why isn't this working? What's consuming that input? So if I click this button and I go here, this isn't interesting. Why? Who's this? Yeah, I really like Unity a lot. The Great Unity Exodus. Yeah, literally, it was a lot of people that decided to try something new. But since I mostly make 2D games, I actually think Godot is better for 2D games specifically. Oh, this isn't printing. They were not there yet. We're here. Okay, let me try this again. So I should be able to go here, click infect, menu print. Perfect, dude. Okay, we actually have the mouse position. Yes. This is gonna happen, CBH. It's just a matter of when. I'm not actually like totally confident about that, because what something Unity did that was really smart was they were the thing that was taught in like schools, right? So they had deals with like my college where if you did a game design class, you were in Unity. And I think that was really smart in that like it didn't necessarily like create a monopoly on the market, but it made it so like that was everyone's go-to. You know what I mean? And I think they could have just done nothing and they would have been awesome. Next game, just make your own game engine. No. I'm not gonna do that. Yeah, no, my goodness. I feel like 6 months just to make one game. I'm doing something in Game Maker Studio, but I'm too brain dead, unmotivated to keep running with it. That's okay. Like, I find the biggest thing for me motivation-wise is less of like, because okay, sometimes I feel like some of the motivation I have is from like gassing myself up, you know, like, oh, I'm gonna make this game, I'm so excited to make this game, right? And then I start making it and like I run into 3 problems in a row and I'm like, yeah, and I'm done. I don't want to touch game design ever again, right? I think the biggest thing that's been like a help for me is just setting aside time every day that I want to like dedicate to making the game. Hey, Chino, thanks for the follow too. Yeah, so that's what helps me like keep motivated the most is like, even if I don't get anything done, I'm like, all right, I'm gonna sit at my computer for 45 minutes and work on this thing. And again, if the only thing I accomplish is that I did in fact sit in the chair for 45 minutes, I count that as a win. I personally, my brain works better that way. It's like, once I get into that routine, I don't have to like gas myself up for every session. I'm just like, oh, I'm just making games. That's what I do during this period of time. I don't know. I think that the coding style they have is just a little too weird for me. That's fair, yeah. I'm not trying to say like you have to stick with Game Maker. Like, try their engine, see if you like it. Also, doing the Godot Wild Jump, I'm really struggling since I picked up Godot 2 weeks ago. Muspel Wolf, I'm so sorry, hang in there. I think this is the perfect thing to do to learn Godot, is like doing the Wild Gems. The Wild Gem is really chill. Like, I'll admit, it's not the most competitive game jam ever, which I think actually works to its advantage. This Godot is still pretty new. I love it, dude. This is my favorite jam. This is my favorite engine right now. I'm so glad that you're here just making games, you know? So it's your first game jam? Hell yeah, dude. I hope you have such a good time. I hope you're enjoying the weird like interspace of crunch and having fun and new ideas and Discord, like all this stuff at the same. Sorry, I just bumped my mics. All this stuff at the same time. I hope you're having a good time. I hope you do more game jams. So sick. I miss on a stream schedule. No, I stream every day usually. Or the GM studio and just. Yeah. So Red Cyber Dragon, a fellow game developer streamer. That it's good to hear that that works for you. Like that's the thing that has been the biggest help for me. I'll be honest. There's a lot of days I sit down to like study Japanese or whatever, right? And I get nothing done. Like this morning, you know what I did? I stared at my laptop for like 2 hours. I think my brain just needed that, you know? But I still I was in the cafe that I go to study. I was in the environment, and I think that just helps me like with the routine going down the line. Yeah. And try to go to eventually TO. Awesome, dude. Welcome, welcome. Training your brain to get into the rhythm. You get me all the time. You get me all the time. You know what I do right after I study? I go play Sound Voltex. Speaking of rhythm games, hey-oh. Make your own game engine is not actually that unreasonable. Just that you definitely won't make a game after it. Yeah, fair. It's hard because like I think there is like I don't know if stigma is the right word, but like people think it's less cool to make a game if you don't make everything by yourself, right? There's like some like I don't know what the right word for it is, but it's like not as pure, right? Like it's you didn't make the game engine too. Like you gotta make everything yourself if you want to be a real game developer. It's like no. Just these engines exist for a reason. Totally fine, dude. I love using game engines. I would like to make one at some point in the world, at some point in time. But I'd rather spend my time, like I don't have infinite time right now, so I would rather spend my time making games than making a game engine. But I'm not against the idea. Like I think it's neat. I think I would need to know this engine like inside and out first, and then I could like say, well, this engine's good, but it's missing XYZ, and I would rather, if I could build my own, I would have it do that. You know what I mean? I don't have like a good reason to do it other than just for fun. Really fun. I love to hear it, man. Forget when is live stream? Right now, Chaz. 6 p.m. JST. Oh, for Sound Voltex. For Sound Voltex. So, I am now a free man. It is done. My finals are done. Well, my like Japanese tests are done. So, I will check tomorrow morning what the schedule is when I go to the arcade tomorrow morning. I will check what the schedule is for reservations. It can't be next week, but I'm hoping the week after I can pick a time, and I'm gonna try to shoot for Monday. So either like April the 1st would probably be the best day. Yeah, we're doing an IRL stream. April 1st. It will be me in real life, except you'll only see my hands, and I'll be playing Sound Voltex, but I'm very excited. Sound Voltex is my favorite game ever. It's so good. People actually think they've ever finished anything? Game engine is vague title, TBH? Yeah, for sure, yeah. April 1, IRL suspicious? Yeah, I mean, like anything that you can do to make your own game. Because, like, even if you just, like... Someone just asked me what my favorite coding language is. It's Python, by the way. But, like, in Python, I helped my friend make an RPG game. Oh, hydrate, you got it. I helped my friend make an RPG game, and, like, the engine, air quotes, for that was just the thing that ran, like, the characters' turns and held all of the information for the characters. So, like... That was an engine, right? Like the game ran on that engine, right? It was just like a turn coordinating engine, but yeah, it depends on like what you need. But I think like text-based games, if something in the background is running all of those objects, then congrats, you have a game engine. You know what I mean? So you know, it's just if I was gonna do it, I'd want to write something like Godot, but yeah, we'll see. I make a game in Java for university. It was basically a text-based adventure with some images for rooms. That's awesome, dude. Awesome. Yeah, maybe semi-engine, usually people think of renders, but it's not always just that. Yeah, for sure. Rendering is like, oh. Yeah, I'm all set. All set on that front. I could maybe do 2D, because you just need to render, like, if you do 2D rendering, everything's actually just flat, and so what you're actually rendering is just 2D planes, right? You do it like this instead, and you just pass through whichever plane, like, you hit first. So this kind of rendering I think I could write. I think this is okay, but like 3D, where you actually have to do like from the perspective of where the camera is and like resize objects as they move or like away or towards the. This seems like a lot of math. This seems really hard. Do it the Unity way for fun. Yeah, do you guys know 444648 background? Let me pull up my handy dandy calculator. Programmer calculator. What is this? What are you? 44? That's what? 68? 68 for the, what is this for the background? I really need this to be better. 68, 46, 46, 46, stop it. 46 is 70. Okay. What's the last number? 48. That's like the same number 3 times. 48 is 72. You want this for the background? Okay, add to custom colors. This is the background now. And the brush is 96, 7B, B6. Okay, okay. I'll be put the RGB instead of the hex. Yeah, put the RGB instead of the hex. Right. You actually fork Godot, add features, then sell your modified version. I think MIT like. Oh, hell yeah, dude. I'm into rhythm games. Oh, Chinomi. Oh, Chinomi, do you know why I moved to Japan? You know why I live here? I'm gonna be honest about it. I'm gonna be honest. You know why? It's because I love rhythm games. I said hex. I like to change my mind. I like to change my mind all the time. That's my #1 thing to do. I love rhythm games. Love rhythm games. Rhythm game heaven. I go to the arcade every day. Every day. If you guys are curious, if you ever sub to me or donate to me, do you know where the money goes? It goes directly into Konami's pocket. I'm just paying taxes for them, really. 96.7 BB6. All right. 97. Stop it. 97 is 151. 151. 151. What is the next one? This takes me so long. It's hilarious. 7B is 120. Hey, GG Psycho, thanks for giving me arcade money. All yours goes to Hoyo. Acceptable. Acceptable. Thank you so much for the sub. The gifty sub, Shinshi Psycho. How do you feel about an idle / incremental auto rhythm game? Chinomi? Dear God. That is the most, oh my God, that is the most like poisonous set of words I've ever heard to my brain. You would kill me. I wouldn't eat food anymore. I'd be a dead person. I would play for like 30, you know those guys that, oh, focus for 3 minutes. Okay, hang on, let me finish this. I was talking so fast, this thing is like left the page. 123. Oh dear God. And B6 for the brush. B6, what is this, 182? 182. Oh, this would be kind of nice, though. Ooh. Ooh. What was I even talking about now? I don't even remember. But I changed the paint colors. I did it. I owe you 3 minutes to focus, though. So I say something integrate with GPU? So even more hell? I didn't even think about that. Christ. Alright, you should build renders, but yeah. Damn, I didn't even... Whoa. Yeah, Unity 2D. Yeah, yeah. Okay. So the way Unity 2D works is... This is your phone, right? All it does is it takes the camera. So normally in Unity, you have a camera object, right? And everything is rendered towards the camera, right? So like if you have a cube, the cube, like it does math to say, how big should this thing be? If this is my person, this is my camera, let's look at this cube. Where should the like edges of this cube be, right? And if you move the cube away, the cube should get smaller, right? Right? Like the angle that it's being cast here gets smaller, right? Okay. That's how it does 3D. Do you know how it does 2D? It does the same thing. It just flattens everything. This is 2D in Unity. It just puts the camera up here. That's all it does. Isn't this disgusting? So your camera's up here and it's just looking down at everything. And so when you like add a button, you're literally adding it like in 3D space to this flat area here. That when you look down, it looks like it's 2D, but it's actually 3D. It's disgusting. Isn't it so strange? So I understand the reason why they would do it like this, because they don't want to remake everything for 2D. But like, hey, Unity, you're like the biggest game. Can't you just do a 2D thing? Can't you do that? Remember when school kept not locking access and messing up? It is hilarious when you take a Unity project that is a 2D project and you move the camera to here and you look this way, because all of a sudden your game is just sliced up to hell. It's so crazy. You set the second color as the background color, or fill the background so you move stuff with that color. I didn't. That. Really? No. The whole time? It's done that the whole time? This isn't new? This is a... Wait, hang on. Wait. If I thought it was going to do it for the background on the new one, too. I still have to click the paint button. Okay. Your terms are acceptable, but cool. Neat. Wow. Yeah, I never knew that really. I didn't know. Did I know? I don't know. Unity's abandoned so many first-party libraries. Have they? I actually didn't know too much about that. I mostly use like just random libraries for like or random like plugins for stuff. No, what? If this color's the background color, like watch. So I'm drawing, right? And I select a thing and I move it. This is the background color. Come on, people. I just started using Paint. I've never used it before. It's a new program. As an old person, Angleblade, I bet I'm older than you. He's not good with keeping up with their plugins. Jeeping up with their plugins? Keeping up? ECS finally got 1.0. Nice. Nice. Flyer? MS Paint? Are you a Mac enjoyer? My laptop is a Mac. And then, or you Linux, perhaps. I really like the HTML5 option. I hosted a game on S3. Ooh, that's nice. You're 46, Angleblade? All right, I take it back. I am younger than you. I thought you were my age. I don't know why. You are the code wizard, man. Everything you say, you're just the code wizard. Angleblade is our resident, like, code genius person, if you guys don't know. They're literally the greatest program I've ever seen in my life. They're awesome. Let's have to see it. Do you know the sound of the internet? The sound of the internet? You mean like a dial-up router? Is that what you're trying? Is that? When I quit Unity, I downloaded React front end instead of the shitty Unity stuff, but I never tried it. Huh, I didn't know about that. So if I can run through something through Proton. Linux now. Ah, nice, nice. And MS Paint is a non-Steam game. Does Proton work like that? Wait. Can you... If that works, I need to install some stuff on my laptop. Definitely a 90s kid. Okay, here's the thing. Here's the thing. Here's the thing, Chino. I need to explain something to you. Okay. I lost my colors? Well, whatever. Okay, here's the problem with people exactly my age. Plus minus 2 years, right? So my older sister was born in 1993, right? She is a millennial. Everything she talks about is like Minions memes and like, did you see this funny SNL skit, right? That's what 93 is, right? That's the 93 age. My younger sister is 99. My younger sister, it was so addicted to her phone and everything that literally we had like a 10 gigabyte data plan. Every month she personally went through it for our whole family. It was absurd. It was like it was a talent. Like, she is not quite TikTok incarnate, but like pretty damn close. And then there's me. I'm 96. What the fuck are these people? What if everyone? Yeah, I'm the cursed generation of 96 to 2000. Yes. What are we? What? All I know is that not to brag, but everyone in this is really good with computers and was there for the early internet, but now doesn't get, like, you look at these things and you're like, Minion memes, really? And then you look at this thing and you're like, that's too much switching for my attention span. What are we, dude? I don't understand what we are. Someone tell me. Zillennial? I think that's like the word for it. This guy self-deprecates as dead on millennial. It's the middle child. Yeah, literally. No hybrid gens? I don't know, dude. Where are we? People got trained to use computer keyboards. Yes. Like I type, we're probably kindred. It's funny. There is a way that people in this generation type. That's a real thing. Strong disagree. Really? 91 would feel the same way. It's like this weird. I mean, look, ice cold, like room temperature take. Generations aren't real, right? Like we all. I know. It's a concept. You just made up. I know. But they kind of be right though, you know, like a little bit, they kind of be right a little bit. Everyone, you know, just a little bit. I don't mean to generalize, but just a little bit. It's astrology. I know. I'm aware. But like a little bit, you know, just like a little bit. It's just a weird place to be in between those two things. Now it's only or Gen Z, or you would have been okay with those heavily Gen Z edited shorts. Like that's where I'm definitely not Gen Z because like I can't keep up with like TikTok and stuff. But like I have never found a single moment of Saturday Night Live funny in my whole life. There's never, none of that. And like all of the famous like American movies that I'm supposed to have watched, I don't know what the fuck Fight Club is, or RoboCop. I don't know what that is. I've never seen it. I'm okay with that. We got Mavin speaking in Minecraft Hunger Games. True. We were there at the start. Not only did we get Minecraft Hunger Games, we got the Hunger Games, like all of them. We had the books. Take that back. I'm sorry. I don't know these movies, dude. Neither Alien was pretty good. All right, fair. It's actually generalization not to say there aren't outliers for sure. Like, it's not that they're like, I don't even want to say they're like accurate, but like It's just a funny thing because there are a lot of things that are related, right? But like you could say that about any group of people in like within 10 years of each other, right? Like you take people my age, right? We're all computer nerds. We all either had AIM or just missed it, right? Like we started on Facebook, you know, like that's the kind of people that I feel like we are in a group at. Did I watch Jurassic Park? I've never watched Jurassic Park. I watched the new one, but I didn't think it was very good. This is the funny thing. This is the funny thing about being exactly my age. I still owe 3 minutes of focus. I will get to them, but I have one more thing to rant about. This is the weirdest thing about being my age. So you know how every movie's just recycled? Okay. Here's the weird thing. This is my example. This is Indiana Jones. Okay. These are the first 3 Indiana Jones movies, right? They were before my time, right? I'm sure they were great. I wouldn't know. I haven't seen them. And then I was born. This is your good pal Sky Gray. Okay. And then after I was born, they remade the movies. Now here's the problem. The remade movies sucked, right? Have you guys seen Kingdom of the Crystal Skull? Hey, Galactic Overdrive, welcome in. Have you guys seen the movie Kingdom of the Crystal Skull? It's really bad. It's a bad movie. I'm not even that much of a movie critic. It's bad. Look, I'll tell you what I remember from the plot. Aliens. That's all I remember. But here's the thing. Because I am a small idiot baby child, this is the one that was new to me. So I watched this one. And after I watched it, I thought, guys, I think Indiana Jones kind of sucks, right? A bad opinion, but I didn't know any better because I was 12, right? So I never watched this because I just figured, well, these ones sucked. But I didn't watch these ones. So now I have never seen like a bunch of these great movies because I watched the new version and I'm like, that wasn't entertaining at all, right? Same thing happened with Jurassic Park. I watched the new Jurassic Park, the one with like, what's his name? Chris Pratt training velociraptors. And I was like, I don't care about any of this. And then people are like, have you seen the original Jurassic Parks? And it's like, no, because this one was awful. Why would I? Are they all awful? You know, I feel bad. I don't know. Small idiot baby child, 100% millennial self-roast. Idiot baby might be, This happens to all franchises of video games as well. I feel so bad. I feel so bad. This is the only exposure I've had. I don't know. Crap sequels? Yeah, they're really bad. I agree, they're crap. I feel like there's a new generation of people that are watching Star Wars right now, like the new Star Wars, and being like, what the fuck are any of these people a fan of? Like, you watch the new Star Wars movies? You watch, like, what is it, movies 7, 8, and 9? I couldn't do it. I watched 7, and I was like, okay. And then I watched 8, and I was like, I think I'm good. I don't think I need to, I can be perfectly unaware about these War in the Stars. I'm all set. When you come back to the States side to visit, you can come watch whatever movie you want on a 150-inch 4K projector, as long as it's older. But, like, here's the thing, right? I have no desire to watch these old movies because the new ones were awful. I didn't watch the new ones and was like, man, I gotta watch the originals. Just like, really? It's just dinosaurs in a park? Like, that's... Oh, it doesn't seem like that interesting to me. I'm not really that interested in dinosaurs in a park, dude. And I know that's a bad opinion because I'm sure the original ones were great. You know, I've never seen them, and I've been burned by the new ones. You know, like Star Wars Episode 2, but only for nostalgia. It's a bad movie. I saw 4, 5, and 6 when I was like so tiny. I don't really remember them very well, but they're like fun. 1, 2, and 3, even as a small child, I was like, wow, these are just bad. Just bad. When 90s kid, don't let the new movie deter you from watching the old originals. What I should do is every like new version of the thing I've seen, I should go back and watch the original. I think is what I should do. By the way, it says Star Wars 4, 5, 6 are the real ones. 3, 1 through 6 are the real ones. Bring up people, all the movies are real ones. Starship Troopers? I love Starship Troopers. That movie's goated. Love Starship Troopers, absolutely. Do you want to know? Do you want to know why I even know to say 4, 5, and 6 is the better Star Wars? I was trained. So my high school girlfriend was like a big nerd, and her dad was a big nerd too. And the test that I had to pass in order to like be on his good side, right? The first time I ever met the man, first time I ever met him, we talked a little bit. He looks me in the eyes and he goes, "Do you like Star Wars?" And my girlfriend had trained me, and I said yes. And he goes, what do you like better? The new ones or the old ones? Which like is such a trap question, right? Because if you're unaware, you just say, "Oh, the new ones," right? They're newer. No, she informed me the correct words to say. I said, "I like 4, 5, and 6," and he shook my hand. He shook my hand. He's like, "Good man, good man." I was like, "Ooh, we got him." And then he asked me a question about the movies. He's like, "Who's your favorite character?" And I'm like, "Oh fuck, we didn't prepare for this part." It's like when you get to an exam and you see a new question about something you didn't learn in class. You're like, "Oh, oh god, Mr. Lightsaber." I said Han Solo, which is a character. We did it, dude. It was okay. We passed the test. John Lightsaber, literally, dude. I like the good character. I didn't like the bad characters for sure, dude. They were bad. So I play MTG. I do play MTG. Yes. Well, I used to play a lot. I don't play as much now because you guys know why. Does anyone here play Magic the Gathering? Were you all here for the strange thing that happened with Magic the Gathering? They started making products, like a lot of products. They started making so many products. Normally the way Magic the Gathering works is like every 3 months there's a new set. Everyone gets excited for the new set. It's a new set. And before the set comes out, there's like card spoilers, right? Ooh, what's gonna be in the new set? We get some spoilers. You get like 10, 15 cards spoiled. Then the new set comes out and you draft it the night it comes out. That's the best feeling, right? What Wizards of the Coast thought they should do is make that feeling happen every day. So instead of 3 months to learn the new set, and then you have a spoiler season, and then the new set comes out, right? I'm gonna start drawing. Instead of doing that, they thought, what if we just release a new thing every 10 minutes? Hydrate, you got it. Also, I still owe you 3 minutes. Han Solo is Indiana Jones. Oh shit, yeah. That's true. Yeah, so instead of like about 3 months to make a new set, and then you play the new set for 3 months, I think it's legitimately down to about a week now. They release a new product every week. And here's the thing. Like Magic. I like Magic about this much. I don't like Magic this much. Dude, literally there's so many new cards, and the new cards will literally just have like a fucking thesaurus as their rules text. It's like, if you cast this spell and it's Tuesday and your opponent is wearing pants and you are the blue player, you can do 15 different things. And if you do all of them, the card flips over and there's a fucking dictionary on it. I was like, okay, I'm good. Yeah, I'm good. I liked Khans of Tarkir. It was dragons. Yeah. Have some alpha and beta stuff. Oh, nice, dude. You got like dual lands or something? I watched the movie. Let's go. It's because Wotzi realized their D&D sales were getting screwed. Hasbro told him to fix it or be fired. Aren't they like the only profitable department in Hasbro? Ow. Oh, I caught the bike. Oh, look, I got the bike, dude. Can I ride the bike? Oh, it's gone. It's gone. Not anymore. Oh, wonder what happened. All right. As promised, here are your 3 minutes of focus. Timer. That's the wrong word. Timer. All right, here we go. All right. Focusing for 3 whole minutes. Now we've done all of our intro stuff out of the way. None of dual lands. My favorite stuff is my Mox Diamond. Damn, my guy's got some power 9. Gee. Are you a good player and the text on cards nowadays is way too much? It just sucks because it makes it so like if you're a new player, like it's not that it's too many rules. Like it's not like it's not fun, right? That's not the problem I have with it. It's when I would introduce my friends to the game, and I'm like, okay, so this, I've teach them basic rules like you have lands, and you tap the lands for mana, and you use the mana to cast spells, right? And now I have to be like, okay, so this is a Planeswalker, and when you play a Planeswalker, they have a static ability now, which means everything in the game is affected by this line of text. You have to keep that in mind, and actually they work differently than all of the other cards, and they don't have summoning sickness, but every other card has summoning sickness. Anyway, so you have the instance here, but sometimes the instance can be cast, it's just like, no one wants to do that. I can't pull people into that game anymore. It's either the AI they use or the fact they tried to change the open license for D&D. Yeah, it's funny. If I had a nickel for every time a company changed their open license to try to get more money out of their customers, I'd have 2 nickels, which isn't a lot, but it's weird that it's happened twice. Legally obligated by the government to a degree, dragons are good. I love dragons, dude. Alright, focusing for 3 minutes. Let's fix this thing that we were working on, huh? So we move this guy here, we click infect, this menu pops up, perfect. If I click this, the click is in fact consumed. We were testing that with the print, cool. Next, I need to say, check if it is valid target. So we're past the event here. what we need to do here is go to the, well, okay, first thing we need to do is check if the click is within this thing, the valid target. So in other words, the tiles that we generated with the flood fill. So to do that, we're going to say valid targets, which is already defined here, we're going to say event. How do we do this? What does valid targets look like? I don't actually remember. I think it's the actual set of tiles. Let me try this real quick. I move to here, I click infect, I click this, it should go to here. Valid tiles are, let me see what you are. Local event, valid tiles here. It's a dictionary. Yeah, so it has the actual vector too. So -6, -7, -5. Yeah, everything that's in the red on our screen right now is the valid tile. That's a lot of valid tiles there. Wait. Oh, that's valid tile. We need valid targets. My bad. I can't. As we've previously discussed. Valid targets, size 13, -4. Should there be 13? That seems like too many. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. No, 13. Wow, it's exactly 13. There you go. Cool. Okay, so that's all the things that are in range. So we're going to check if this event is in this set. So we're going to say event dot, wait. So event cell. So var event, what do I call this? Like the cell it's in? Event cell equals map reference dot to local, I believe. We want the local of us or the local of the map? No, we don't actually need either of these. We say map reference, this should be map local, map to local. Yeah, like this, I think. Map reference, map to local? No, it should be local to map. Should be local to map. Yep, local to map. Local to map. What this does is say, hey, whatever the position of this event is, return what cell it actually exists on the tiles that we have, this grid we have here. So wherever I click, I should get the cell that I'm actually clicking. Okay, so we do this, and this actually needs to be to local. So we're gonna say map reference to local, We're gonna say event dot, I think it's position. And if we do this, we should be able to see what the event cell is. This. On the game, go to here, click infect, click this thing, and we have the event cell is -5, -1. Let me make sure that that's what I clicked on. See here, map, -5, -1. -5, -1. Yeah, that's where I clicked. Perfect. Perfect. Next, we need to go to the map and say, hey, is there anyone at this event cell? Actually, we need to make sure that this event cell is in the valid target. So if valid targets has the key, if valid targets dot, it has key? What's the thing for this? I don't remember. I've used it before. I just don't remember what to do. I think it's in the character. Let me see. Where? Somewhere. On the flood fill thing? What's has key in Godot? I don't remember. Something. It's in the player character? I don't remember. Wait, this is the player. Yeah, this is player. Refresh movement, find close. No, player character here. Snaps dragged. Here, display possible moves. Why am I doing that? I could just look. I'm just looking it up. I don't care. Hey, it's 3 minutes are up. I'm free from jail. Check. It's just has? No way. I want to put you in the credits of my game. Send me some random audio of your voice so I can credit you to TY. Hey, it's Skygray. Thanks for playing the Leviathan's game. You can clip that if you want. Name the parasite character, player character, a bit confusing considering you have multiple players. Yes. I'm gonna refactor it a bit. You are correct. I'm gonna when I add another player character, I'm gonna yoink out of this which parts are me and which parts aren't me. Well, actually, I don't know if I'm gonna do that. I think the player character is just everyone that's on our team, and then you have one for the main character. So is Skygray. If you're me, dude, if you're me, then you get to have extra properties. But otherwise, the action function works the same. It'll just be attacking instead of like check if it's valid target works the same for both classes. Is this music copyright for you? Oh no. Not sure. We go to here. We can say it is valid. So print is valid target like this. Cool. Let's try this. Remove this breakpoint. Okay, let's see. So I go to here. I click infect. I click this tile. Is valid target. I click out here. Not valid target. I click back in here. Is valid target, dude. Love that for me. Cool. Cool. All right, so we're here. This is a valid target tile. What is the next thing we need to check for it? So this just returns if it's valid or not. So if it's here, then we say return true. If it's not here, return false. Like that. There we go, dude. In Java, I just press the autocomplete button so they can look at the Java docs and find which method the class has. Oh, I don't think GD's script is super good about that. I'm using GD script. C# is statically typed, so it should have the same thing. Yeah, GD script is a little bit lacking in that department. Also, it's partly on the editor too. Like VS Code can do it. Yeah, this is probably not copyright free. What do you want me? What do you want me to say? I'll voice act for you. It'll be the first time I've ever done it, but I can put it on my resume afterwards. You're saying if we're not Sky, you don't have special abilities? Correct. But don't worry, everyone can be Sky. Being Sky is a state of mind. It's much less a physical manifestation of yourself, you know? You want to be Sky? You're Sky. Just don't take my stream key. I need that one. That one's mine. Oh, I have to cough, sorry. I did a thing where I accidentally tried to eat some of the water I was drinking, or breathe the water. You're not supposed to do that. It's not good for your lungs. There you go. Well, I hydrated Darkwood just a little bit through the lungs, but you know, same effect. Your rendition of the Wilhelm scream from The Scientist gets taken over. Okay. That's reinforcing Godot if you use type pins, right? They are, yeah. How do we know if we take your stream key? You should paste it in chat so we can check. Oh, true, yeah. We want to make sure you're not using it. That's a good idea, actually. Good. Thanks for pointing that out, Chad. Game Maker's a good at that feature, so if Godot doesn't have it, theoretically it could. I think if you do it in VS Code, VS Code is usually really, really good about it. Like in engine editor, it's not the best. It has it for some things that are like, as long as they're typed well. So like, this obviously won't have it, right? This doesn't come up with anything, even though I tried typing, because it doesn't know what this thing is yet. So I think if I name this thing a dictionary, maybe it works, but I'm not sure. I'm not sure, actually. Okay. Hey, Married Evie. Married Evie. I love Eevees. Thanks for the follow. I appreciate it. This guy's Star Ocean character from 2001 in Disguise. His real name is Leon. What? I mean, is that a JoJo reference? I've never seen JoJo, so I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. Star? I don't know. This is not mono developed? What does that mean? What does that mean, First Laugh? I don't know what that means. Sounds bad. I'm glad it's not mono developed either. You kidding me? Oh my god, could you imagine if it was? Hey, Mania64, how's it going? Welcome, welcome. Alright, get enemy character selected. This needs to go to the map and say, hey, map. Is anyone here? Is anyone here? Mono developed is the throwback? Oh. The thing is, the map currently doesn't keep track if anyone's there. Mono developed is the internet error that didn't work, they replaced it. Oh, thank god. Oh, I just used Rider. Yeah, that seems really bad. Now, okay, this is a problem. When the enemy moves, it doesn't actually tell the map that it's moved. I need a signal to exist that says, hey map, a character, moved onto this part of the map, and the map should understand where those characters are. So, on the character thing, how do we actually move? Oh shit. Okay, we need a signal here for all the characters to say signal, var signal, var signal? Yeah, I use Godot. Signal move finished, and it should emit the location that it moved. And then all the player characters when they get created need to tell the map, hey map, connect to this signal. Because everything has a map reference anyways, so I think it's all good. In fact, we can do it in here. We say map, wait. Am I allowed to do it this way? I think if I have a reference to the map, I can just say, hey, I moved. You deal with it. Yeah. Wait. No, I don't want to do it like this. It doesn't need a signal. This doesn't need a signal. We just need something to say function update map position. And we just say map, hey map, map reference. Map reference dot character position updated. And we can say the old position and the new position. I personally call it the map function, but I don't know if that's Godot. I'm doing it like that, yeah. The signal thing was a little whack. Gotta go, good luck with the jam. I could use the TX Peng. Thank you for all the lovely art you've created for us. I cannot wait to put it in the game. I'm sorry I didn't put it in the game immediately. You're the best. TX Peng is our artist. He's so sick. Map owns the character location. Yeah, I think this is the way I want to do it. I'm gonna have this thing be here, so I can just call this at the end of any move. Update map position, and it will pass the get map position. Yeah. The thing is, it also needs its previous position, so it needs to pass where it was previous. You care about where you were previously? Yeah, because you need to say the character isn't at that position anymore. But shouldn't I, the character, know which one I am, and I can say I'm not there anymore? I want to do that. That's an interesting thing. I could also pass my previous location and just say the person that was there is here now. Because the only thing that the map needs to know is if a character is there and whose team the character is on. You get to check to make sure that something is a valid target. That's all it needs to care about. It definitely needs to know that there's things at the tiles, but I don't think it needs to know anything else. So if it doesn't need to know anything else, we can just... No, this feels weird. Hi again, I'll talk from my phone. Hey, Pepper Paradise. Welcome, welcome. I don't want to do this. I could pass me. I think I can just pass me. Can I do that? I say, hey. Hey, it's me. I'm moving. Isn't that crazy? It's me, dude. I'll just do it that way. And then the dictionary can use the self. I can't use the self as a node, though. What can I use as a unique identifier for this? Name? Maybe? Name feels a little hacky. But name is a string, which means I could use it for the key. Is a map a grid or a list / dictionary with vectors? The map is actually an entire node. Maybe it shouldn't be called map, but the map is the actual like tile map object. Your stream key. There we go. I would, but it's not unique, you see. Otherwise it would be perfect. If I pass self, I just need a unique way to identify you. I think you can use name. I'm pretty sure name is unique. I think name is unique. The thing about name is I can encode whether you're a team character or you're an enemy character too, so maybe that does work? This is weird. This is weird. And then when you die, I want you to be removed from the map, so that kind of works too. I think I can do name. I think name is okay here. Unless there's like a unique ID that, like, do you have an ID? I think they do have an ID, but I don't know if it's unique. Nope, no ID. Just name it is. All right, we'll use name. No problem. So this will say character position update, pass it to the map. The map needs this function then. Character position update, it's going to be the name and the new position. Like this. Something like this. Is self kind of not an ID? The thing about using self is that passes a reference for the whole node. I don't know if you can use the reference as a dictionary key. And it might get a little bit weird in case there's ever a case where like it's set to queue free or something. Is the context of an object counts? I'm just worried about using the actual reference as the dictionary key. Probably can. I'm gonna stick with name, but I can see how you would be able to do that. I'm just worried about like ordering on queue freeze or something, because I don't know what order that thing would get deleted. I don't know. I don't know. They both seem kind of weird to me, to be honest. I wish there was like a unique ID I could set, but oh well. No, well, we'll just do it this way. What is this? This is going to be name to position. It's going to be a dictionary. We need everyone to actually start somewhere on this thing, but for now, name to position. Oops. Dot name equals new position, like this. There. So this contains a map of everyone that's on the board. The weird thing is going to be looping through this to get. Ooh, well, I should have whether or not you're an enemy, right? Because the name will have enemy or player in it, but do I want to be able to tell whose team you're on by that string that's there? Very hacky. It's that's a little gross. That's a little gross, I think. I could have a thing. Think about the reference as a unique ID for the name itself, for the language itself. That's true. Yeah, I could probably do that. I'm gonna leave it as name though. I think that leaves the door open for me to say if you're a player or enemy character. So I can do like something like this. Is enemy character name? I can do something like this. Return if name dot begins with. I think is the what is it? String begins with text string. That's a little gross, but I think it works. Name dot begins with enemy. Gross, or how are we feeling about this? It does work. There's a reference. You can just also call the method and the object itself. That's brilliant. Hang on. Node ref rinse. Hang on. Return is enemy. I think this works. And the same thing about looking at the string lookup or grossness. Use groups instead, please. I don't know what groups are. I'll be honest with you. I don't know what that means. Clicks under groups and Godot, then you'd have to manage all the nodes in the groups. Hey Viridian! Welcome, dude. How you doing? I mean, I could do it based on which one the parent is too, but I could also do it this way. I think this is okay. And then I just say I think this is okay. Node reference, yeah, is enemy character node reference. So is enemy like this. I need to add this to the character class. I need a new variable, var valid tiles character stats var is enemy character equals false, like this. Yeah, something like this. Then I need a function that says, well, actually, I can just directly reference this thing. I'll do it that way. That seems more Godot-y. Yeah, like this. Return this is enemy character. On the node tab, there's groups, and you can check if it's in that group. Interesting. I mean, this is effectively doing the same thing, though, I think. Player character, enemy character. I need to now set you to be an enemy. Congratulations. Congratulations, welcome to the wrong team. Is enemy character equals true? Cool. All right, that should work. So now the map has the location of everyone that's on the map once I set it, and it also knows if that thing is an enemy character. The last thing we need to be able to tell is check it is, or get tile entity tile. This sucks. We're gonna have to loop through our entire dictionary and see if anything matches this position, tile position. So yeah, this is a little bit weird, but it's okay. So we're gonna say for node reference into position like this. The game I haven't seen about a function that just returns static Boolean values because Java doesn't have properties or anything like that. I don't know how I feel about these. Python does it a lot, and I feel like it's okay in Python, but like Godot sometimes feels like it's trying to both be Python and C#, and like, you can't do this in C#. Are you kidding me? That's my variable. Don't touch that. That's not yours. And Python's just like, look, it's an adult consenting language, you know? You want that thing? That thing's public. That thing's your thing if you want it. Redo my PSMNT. What is that? That sounds bad. I'm sorry. You have to redo that. Anything else to do is an alternative to groups. Just make the method that is specific to the enemy class, and then check if that method exists. Oh. And if you make it public? Oh, that's true, actually, yeah. That's an interesting way of doing it, Viridian. So you literally, if it has a certain function, then you know it's an enemy class? Oh. I'm gonna leave it this way, I think. I think this is fine. But there's a lot of good suggestions. I think node groups is probably the best way of doing it, because then you can just switch the node group later. Or class names. Oh. I really like the idea of doing it by class name, actually. That's perfect, dude. Why don't I just do it that way? Is it extend? Yeah, that's the best. Yeah. How do I? Where was it? Go here. I like that. The bestest. Return is enemy character. Yes. Zoop. Class name is back to the string hack. Yeah, but no. This is. I think this is a little bit different than the string because it's saying if it is an enemy character. If it's anything other than that, it's not an enemy character. There you go. Done. That's much less clean than like. Yeah. You can just do that. Yeah, I'm not like checking the string of it. Yeah. Okay. So for node reference here, we're gonna say that's by inheritance. It's so good. That's perfect. This is exactly what I need. I'm gonna say if name to position node reference equals tile return node reference, I believe. Yeah, something like this. This gets whatever like is in that certain tile. Let's make sure that this whole thing works. So, a couple things before we're allowed to do anything. First, ready. I'm setting your position to 0, 0. I need to let the map know that that is in fact where you are. Update map position self. We're going to say we're at vector 2 to I 0, 0. Something like this. So you exist at the space 0, 0. Congratulations. What is wrong with this? Too many arguments for update map position. Call it. Expected almost 0, but received 2. Sure about that? Oh, you just call it. Yeah, my bad. Yeah, no, you're right. I apologize for doubting you. We just do this. There you go. Cool. Neat. And every time you move, so when you move at the end of the move, update your map position. There we go. Player character, you need to do the same thing. So at the end of the ready frame, at the end of the ready function call, update the map position. And every time you move, snap to grid, drag, as moved equals true. I think this is where we do it. Snap to grid, we say move, update map position. So now when we go to this thing, get enemy character selected, we're going to say event local to map of this thing. So event cell equals this. I think I should be able to pass this back. I don't have to do this again, but I'm just going to do it again for now. It seems silly to have to do this function call twice, but I just want to make sure it works. Okay, so we have the event where the cell is clicked, and we're going to say map reference dot get entity at tile at location event cell like this. I don't think that's what I called the function, but let me check. Map. What is this? Get tile entity. Yeah, yeah. Do I want to like? I think I like get entity at tile better. Get entity at tile. Go back to my player character. Get entity at tile. If everything works, we should be able to say var. What is this? Var target equals this. Let's see if that works. I'm gonna put a return here so I can debug or return. Okay. Let's make sure everything works. Does the game run? The game runs. What a great sign. I move to here. I click wait. I click enter. You move closer. I go to here. I click infect. I click this guy. We get to the breakpoint. Is the target? The target's null. Why is the target null? Oh, because we haven't done the thing yet. My bad. Yeah, do the thing first. Okay, cool. What's the target now? Enemy character? It's perfect. Now we say the following. If target is enemy character, return target. Perfect. And if it's not, we return nothing. First try. Do we celebrate? Get a little bit suspicious, you know? Which camp do we fall into today? Is it like, ooh, nice, or is it like, ooh, nice, you know? Yeah. Either one. Enemy characters get enemy character. If enemy character dot infect. Infect. So I believe when we do this, the game will crash. So I say wait. You move towards me. I go to here. I click infect. I click on you. I click on you. Why? Eh? If enemy character. Yeah. We're good here, right? If target is enemy character, are we not getting to that? See, I knew it was too good. I knew it was too good to be true. I move to here. I click wait. I click enter. I move to here. I click infect. I click you. What? What do you mean? Are we getting to here? If target is enemy character. Yeah, that should work. Why don't you work, huh? Am I going crazy or was this literally just working? Click. What? Target is enemy character. It says it right there. Did I spell it wrong? I probably spelled it wrong. Welcome to Breakpoint Hell? I know, right? It's enemy. A typo, perhaps? Not a typo. Okay, but I'm like 90% sure that that's what you are, though. No? Then what are you, huh? Tell me what you are. Is it weird to me that this... Is this not what I think it is? This should be fine. This should be fine. Why isn't this fine? Explain to me why this isn't fine. Do I need to do... Can I do this? Like this, maybe? Because we did this. Like, we put this thing on there. Validate end as my character on base string. Right. That makes a lot of sense. This is a string. Is that a string? It is a string. Yes, it's a string. So the thing about using the reference as the key. Thing about using the references. This is a string. No, I need this to be different. You know what's gonna be here instead? Is the node reference and the position. Yeah. We're gonna have both. Wouldn't it be a reference then? I bet it's whatever the reference is turned into a string. I think is what's happening here. Let me actually look. Let me look at what this dictionary looks like. Because maybe I'm wrong. We do this, we go to here, click waits, we click enter, we go to here, we click infect, we click this button. Okay, so what is our thing? Named position, dictionary size 2. Enemy character, player character, those are string. This is a reference, right? String name, huh? Well, shit. Why is it passing a string? That's not how this works. That's not how any of this works. What are you passing on this thing? Oh. Would you look at that? Oh. Turns out it was just doing what I told it. Don't you hate it when it does that? It just was running the code exactly as you wrote it. Why would you do that? You know I can't be trusted. That's a fucked up thing to do. Let's try this again. Let's actually use the reference this time, shall we? If you did name it, wouldn't be unique. It's name is the property of the thing that's literally like the string, the string of the name. Click here. What do you look like now, huh? New key, new value, none. What is named position? Dictionary size 2. What? No. Object encoded as object ID. Oh, perfect. Cool. So this will just work, right? right? Non-existent function effect on base no TD enemy character. Perfect. It's working, dude. All right. Hey, enemy character, how's it going? Welcome to the right team. We need a function here. It's gonna be function infect. Change teams. First thing we're gonna do is create new player character. Why would we do this? Why wouldn't we just change teams, right? There's a lot of functions that this thing has that the player characters won't have. So when I do the actual name change, or when I do the actual team change, it's going to destroy itself and create a new character on our team at the same spot with the same stats. So it's a little bit weird instead of just moving the node group, but these things are so different from each other that it's actually be more work to make it so that the character could fit on both teams. We're just gonna make a new character. It's fine. Don't worry about it. Create new player characters. We're gonna say %player characters dot create new character, and we'll pass in us as the reference. Then we're gonna destroy ourselves. Destroy self. So we're gonna say queue free, like that. This should crash our game, but let's see what happens. Move to here, click wait and turn, move to here. What the? Click infect, we have range anyways. Non-existent function, create new character on base, no TD, create player character. Perfect, dude. Player character here, you need a function. It's going to be function, create new character. And it's going to take in an enemy character. This should actually not be create new character, that should be create new character from enemy character. Or change character team, change, create player character from enemy character. Why not have a function name that's 500 characters long? Why not? Who's gonna stop me? Who's gonna stop? I don't have a redeem for that. I'm unhinged. I can do whatever I want. Thinking it's a tutorial for your game? Awesome, dude. I'm so excited. Will Sky do Oni? Hey, what's that? Did I spell character? Character. Which one is wrong? Cractor? No, not the misspelling. Which one is wrong? Oh god. Creates player character from enemy character. Player characters. Where am I? Oxygen not included? So back, it's in the other one. Oh, so dumb. So dumb. Oh, the enemy character. That's not good. Misspelling content? I haven't edited that short, I'm afraid to. Thank god there's autocomplete, otherwise that function will be a problem. Can I introduce you to my new best friend, Control C, Control V? Long function name? I just pasted. So speaking of oxygen not included, I put up the new game vote. So every Monday, including next Monday, we have a game vote in the Discord. It is, you can suggest games here. So I will write that you suggested oxygen not included. Oxygen not included. Just speed. I'll add it to the next vote, but we also have the game vote here. I just posted the new one today, so go ahead and vote for whatever games you want to play. Please vote Persona 3. Please vote Persona 3. I love democracy. Okay. Someone forked my repo 4 years after I made a typo in unused code and fixed it. Just a pull request with a bunch of typo fixes. They didn't get any of the important ones. I feel like I shouldn't take that personally, but I would every time. I would every single time. What are you talking about? It's not spelled field. What? It's I before E. What? This is wrong? Why? Is that what to vote for before I voted? You can go back. You can vote for. Can you? I don't actually know if you can. God, Persona 3 is so fun though. Skyrim vote for Poppy playtime. Understood. Is it even on the list? I don't even know if it is. I should put Helldivers on there though. I haven't played that game yet. So this is the enemy character. We need to create a new character. How do we create a new character? Well, first we need to make one of you. First we need to make you a scene. Oh, it's that time of the day, isn't it? We need to make you a scene, huh? Hate making you a scene. Okay. Okay, we'll make you a scene. That's okay. We can do that. Convert to scene. Save branches scene. Prefabs. Player character.tsm. Okay, this is now a scene. I need to... Can't vote again? Ah, shoot. Spots so they spam... They did a ton on public GitHub briefs to try to say their code quality checker. What? Get that shit out of here, dude. Be like, wow, thanks for using me as a test bed. Really appreciate that. So cool of you. Okay, player characters here. We need the reference on this. So on ready, var player character scene equals load. This thing. So we're gonna say this dot instantiates. We're making a new one. Var new character equals this thing. We need to set the correct sprite based on whatever class it is. We can do that later. Oh, shoot. You know what this thing has? We don't have? It has an animated sprite. God. I mean, everything will have an animated sprite once Rosati sends me everything. So this is okay, but I need to link the correct animated sprite. Right now, you're going to turn into me. That's fine. You're me now. Everyone is me now. That's okay. We'll make it look pretty later. All right, new character. Look at this one. New character. Dot. We need to set the stats. Set stats. Enemy character dot stats like this. We need to set stats thing. Catboy infection. Oh yeah. Oh, and it's so infectious. My goodness, everyone's doing it. Guys, you love Sky Bunny Persona 3. Yeah, more and more trade system. Please no. I mean, you know what was actually really fun was Little Nightmares. Main character syndrome. The game. Everyone is me. There's literally no gameplay loop. You just convert everyone you even come into contact with. Everyone's me now. Isn't that awesome? I think it's great. I think that's perfect. Okay, so let's see. We need the set stats function. This goes on the player character. We need this thing. Function set stats from stats. This. And it's just going to do what happens up here, but with the new stats instead. So, oh, actually, you know what you have? You have the resources. This will get called ready. This is gonna be called anyways. So all we need is to set your resource. Dude, hell yeah. How do I do that before you exist though? Hell no, that doesn't work. Doesn't work. This doesn't work. How many subs will it take for you to do mortuary assistant with a heart rate monitor? I would need to buy a heart rate monitor first. I don't know where to get one of them. Where did I get a heart rate monitor? Can you just like, I just need an Amazon one to my house or something? Is that how this works? Heart rate monitor, Amazon. You just, for stream, I guess for streaming? For streaming? Do like good heart rate monitors for streaming? I have no idea. Yeah, look at this, heart rate monitor. Huh. Whack. I'd have to look into it a little bit more. Not saying no. Didn't about Persona 3, not my type of game. I'd rather see him play Balatro, continue with Little Nightmares. Little Nightmares was very fun. I will give it up. I would not mind playing that game more. Balatro is taking over. You remember what I said when I looked at Balatro? I was like, man, I don't know how these points work. And I clicked away. I was so young, so naive, so dumb. I clicked away. I clicked away from Balatro. I should have stuck around. Apparently that game is like the best game. And also got flagged for being like 18 plus for having gambling elements, which is very funny because no, it doesn't. It just has cards. Like Balatro's like crack. I see. Maybe I should stay away then. Is Sky Gray equals true? This needs to be false. So a couple of things. I don't. Oh wait. This gets called when it enters the scene tree. We can set things on this before it enters the scene tree. Hell yeah, man. Hell yeah. Well, I chose poker, right? So gambling. But you're not actually like playing poker. Like it has poker elements, but you're not actually like. My understanding is you're not actually gambling, but it got like marked as 18 plus because it like has gambling element. I don't know. It was really weird. After I play the game, I'll give a more thorough opinion. I like predatory gambling. Yeah, I think the like category for it is just so broad that like they just see like anything related to gambling, like, oh my god, won't someone think of the children? And it's just like, okay, all right, sure. I don't know, it's kind of weird. We can set that you're in fact not Sky Gray first. So you, new character, you're not Sky Gray. New character dot is Sky Gray false. You're not that guy, pal. You're not that guy. Me? Absolutely that guy. Okay, set stats we don't need to do yet. For the sprite, we need to set the sprite you are based on the class that you are. So I think the character itself needs to have the class. So like here on the resource, it should set the class. So we're gonna say class equals what? Var character class? Is that not a reserved key? Our character class. We're going to say your character class is equal to the properties, whatever class you were, equals properties.class. We need to add this to our resource. So let's go to the resource. Why am I moving padded? It was a redeem on Twitch. My head's getting pats now. I was watching a game dev who was going to copy the Balatro UI and animations as Showcase and Godot, and ended up playing for 3 hours for research. Ah, I see. That's me with idle games, dude. Like, I'll just for research for my own idle game, and then I spend like 3 years playing NGU idle. Oh god. Watch was like Slay the Spire X Poker. I feel like it has the same amount of gambling as Slay the Spire, though. You know what I mean? Like, it's not actually gambling. Like a totally different thing. IMO. Okay. In the character props, we need one more thing here. So we're gonna say movement, range, infection level, parasites. Above everything, you're gonna have the class that you are. That's export. Export var class is a string. We have 3. Right. My bad. Character class. How about that, huh? It's a character class. Let me go to our test characters. I actually need to make another one of these now because what's wrong with this? Can't find string and current scope. Fine, I'll capitalize. Jesus Christ. Oh. Character class. This is Sky Gray. That's me, dude. I need to make a new one. So this is test character. I'm going to rename this to test Sky Gray. Put it as Sky Gray. Sky Gray. That's me. Why am I uppercase? Sky Gray. Like this. There we go. Cool. Go back to this. Lowercase this as well because it looks nicer. Okay, we need to make a new one. So create new resource. We're going to create a new character. And this is going to be Enemy Knight, I think. Enemy Knight? How about that? Enemy Knight? Perfect. Your character class is Knight. Your HP is, I don't know, 30. Your attack is 15. Your defense is also 15. Your magic is 5, just in case. Resilience, 15. You're a tanky boy. Skill, 10. Speed, 5. Your slowest cell. Movement, also 5. Range, 1. Cool. Looks good to me. I go to my player character. This thing needs to have should have its like resource set. Properties, you are not a Sky Gray. You are an Enemy Knight. Open. Cool, perfect. Can you make VR games in Godot? You absolutely can. Yeah, I don't know like how to do it personally, but I know you can do it. Godot is really good. Well, Godot has like functioning 3D. We actually have someone that comes into this channel quite a bit that does a lot of stuff on 3D. They're on Twitch, but they're very, very cool. They're streaming right now, actually. I'm going to give them a shout out. But I'll post it on YouTube as well. So this is Aeroax. They do a lot of 3D stuff in Godot. So if you're curious about 3D stuff, I would highly recommend you check out their channel. I'll put it in both chats. Yeah, they're really good about that. I mostly do 2D, so I can't speak too much about like how well the 3D and VR works, but Aeroax, very smart person. Aeroax comes in and fixes my code all the time. It's awesome. It's the best. They're super great. Yeah, they mostly do 3D, so they're pretty good. They're a good resource for that kind of thing. Love shouting them out too because they're awesome. I mostly do 2D, but I know Godot does 3D really well. Cool. Okay. Back to this guy. So are you Sky Gray? You're not Sky Gray. I tried Love 2D before. I don't know what that is actually. No. Tell me more about that. Is that a game engine or something? We need to set the resource for this character. So we're gonna say new character dot, what is it called? What is this thing called? No, I think character here. Your position, properties? What is this? Oh, it's just called properties as character props. Why did I name it this? 2D game engine and Lua. We might learn Lua soon. So we were talking about doing a Roblox game jam at some point. I've consigned myself to just being a game jammer. I love doing game jams. We might do a Roblox one soon, in which case I would have to learn Lua. Game engine that's mostly used for mobile game. Oh, mobile games, you say. All right, what is this Love 2D thing, huh? Love 2D game engine. Ooh, it'd be kind of looking nice though. I'm gonna be learning a new game engine. Is there a game jam for this game engine? Awesome framework, can you make 2D games in Lua? Free open source, works on Windows, Mac, OS X. Open source? 2D games, you say? All right, hell yeah. Hang on. Game jams. One moment. I know about Lua is just tables. Is that like the meme because Python everything's a dictionary? Lua, everything's just a table. Can I do just Lua? Is there like a Lua? Is there a Love 2D? No? There's no Love 2D specific game jams? Hi. Someone make one. I'll make one. Now, hang on. I don't see much here. Well, I'll keep an eye out if I see one pop up. I would love to do that. Metroidvania month is now. Only thing I know about Lua is that their index starts at 1. Never mind. Oh god, closing that. Jesus Christ, you gotta warn me about that next time. Oh, oh. Properties equals enemy character dot properties. Properties like this, and then we'll add it to the tree. Add child, new character. We also need to set the sprite, but I don't know how to do that yet. So I'm gonna say new character dot set sprites. Oh, it should just flip the sprite because the sprite will be based on whatever class it is. This is actually okay. Closing this having a thing. Oh. All right, so this should destroy the character and make it on our team. Ooh, and end up block. Did I not do this? I don't need to do this. This is you're not real. You are not real. I have 1,000 game jams at home. Government doesn't know game jam on the street you can make. Oh, I see. One of the older open source engines. Yeah, dude, nice. Yeah. Start when I participate. Lua's mid. Oh, really now? When it's pretty ass though. It's the reason I hate MATLAB. It throws me off so much. It's crazy to me. Oh, this is character class. Character class. Ship it. Oh, what happened? Map to local and base null instance on null of an instance. What? What? What do you mean by this? This is something. This is not the real error that's happening. Position map reference to global. Map to local and base null instance on null of an instance. What happened? You're saying this isn't real? You're saying the map's not real? Shout out ArrowX? Yeah, hell yeah, dude. What am I breaking now? Wait! ArrowX! Hello! Welcome, buddy. I was just talking about you. Map references set correctly. You just come in here and you fix everything for me. Isn't that crazy? Isn't that crazy that you do that? And it's making me nervous? Why? Also, hey, Odious Peaks. How's it going? Yeah, we're just talking about you. You're like the 3D Godot guy, you know? How's your stream go today, dude? I had people saying hi to you in my chat, so I was worried. Oh no, I was shouting. Wait, are you still streaming? Oh, you're still alive. Oh, yeah, I thought you were just I thought you were done. I thought you were popping by. Well, hey, this is ArrowX stream. They're live right now. You can go say hello to them. Look at this. Look, even Jespi's here. God, I love calling out lurkers in your chat or chatters in your chat. Isn't that the best feeling? It's ArrowX, the 3D Godot guy. Isn't he the best? Isn't this guy the best? Wait, whoa, chill. Hey, wait. You've activated the mirror dimension. Hold on a minute. Now this doesn't make any sense. Go back to you. This is wrong. This is this isn't right. You're breaking something. Isn't all the popular people know each other? I know, right? Streamception. This is so gross. This isn't even my mirror dimension. This is a different person's mirror dimension. It's fucked up. Can't believe you do this to me. I'm moving this up. Why are you bullying that man? Smash someone's head into the door? Am I next? I'm closing the stream now. You scare me. Mirror dimension early? For sure, dude. What was going on over there? Good lord. Alright. You're not real, huh? Oh, you're not real. That's right, you're not real. I never set you, huh? Chat whenever he's kindest guy for a day. Where do we set this? You could set here. Does this not work if you're just getting added to the scene for the first time? I feel like it should. I feel like it should work. I don't know. That's just to me. That's my opinion, I guess. I feel like I'll set it myself. The character dots map reference equals % map. Are you happy now? I did it for you. Ship it. What? It's not on the new guy. What? Eh? Why is this broken? Why are you broken? Why are you like this? How is this not set? Wait, what? It's set here. Oh, it's a scene now. It's a scene now, so it doesn't exist. God damn it. % map scares me. This is actually really useful in Godot. Except for right now, where it's no longer useful. Oh, that's so annoying. So, okay, for those of you curious what's going on here, this player character is a scene. No, this should still work. You're in the scene. Hang on a minute. What does the % thing do? This says, so if you right click a node in Godot, you can say access as unique name. This means that the % modifier in front of this thing will be able to find this thing, like whatever you right click to say find a like unique name, right? So you see this % here. You may access from within anywhere in the scene by proceeding with the % prefix in a node path. Click to disable it. So this literally lets you say, if I'm in the same scene as map, use this to get the reference. I don't know what the explosion from yesterday was, but nothing else happened, so I'm assuming everything's fine now. Yeah, seems. How we doing? I'm doing great, man. I had my last test today. I am now free for the next 2 weeks. It's awesome. I'm in a great mood because of it. How'd the test go? Not great, but that's fine. It's done, right? I got through it. It was a really hard test. Japanese is so hard. Let me tell you, I learn it every day, and yet I still don't know how to speak it. Isn't that crazy? Isn't that crazy? It's taking me longer to learn this than it has like my degree. Okay, so this just doesn't exist, huh? I'm curious which person doesn't have this. Function map called local elements. Who are you? No, not found map relative to root, main, player characters, player character. But why aren't you able to find this? You're in the thing. Root? Hey, yeah, you're in the thing. Not crazy, I still suck at Mandarin. It's so hard, dude. And like, I live in Japan. You'd think I would pick it up after a while. Like I can do basic conversations stuff, but like knowing a lot of like the finer grammar points is still really, really difficult for me. There's one that's like no ni versus no day, and I will die before I understand the difference. Same with like using wa instead of ga. And I've asked my friends who speak Japanese, I'm like, how do you know which do you use wa or ga? And they're like, I don't really know. Sometimes I don't know. Sometimes you just default to ga. That's usually what it is. I'm like, oh, okay. So you don't even know. So no one knows this? Cool. Awesome. Like it's wa when it's the subject of the. We just pick one. We just pick one at random. That's what it is. It's okay. Been late for like over a year and a half. My Japanese was like it's rough. Sounds like English rules. It's a lot. I mean, yeah, it's very similar. I treat it like the versus and thing. Like, so English has this thing. This is my like favorite example to compare when people are like, why is the language so difficult? Like, why isn't it just different? Okay, this is English. There's a particle a. You put this in front of words. For example, a boat, right? A boat. Cool. But sometimes it's an. No, sometimes it's an. How do you know when it's an? That's easy. Is there a vowel? Is there a vowel coming? Then it's an. For example, an anaconda. Oh, that makes sense. An anaconda. Cool. 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 Except sometimes it doesn't work like this. Sometimes, let me look up like what's like a really egregious example of this? Like like acronyms are really bad about this. Hang on. What's like a good, like, yeah. A and N are the bane of my existence because I have no desire to make it function every single time I piece together a string. It's really rough. Let me look up examples of where this doesn't work. This is very funny to me that there's like a versus an exceptions. Yeah. Here we go. Use an before a silent or unsounded H, because H does not have any phonetic representations or audible sound. The sound that follows the article as a vowel, consistently an, is used when U makes the same sound as the Y in you, or O makes the same sound as W in wan. Then A is used. What? An apple? Yeah. An apple. You wouldn't say a apple. Why wouldn't we? We just had the rule. That was the rule. We had a deal. Everyone was in agreement about this. And then you changed the rule? And apparently the real version of it is H doesn't have any phonetic representation or audible sound. The sound that follows the article is a vowel. Consequently, an is used when U makes the same sound in Y as in you. What the fuck? Are you even... What? The real answer to this is it's used anytime that the next coming sound causes a break in the way you're about to say the next word. What about its and its? I don't know. Yeah. What? This is its. This is it is. When do you use one or the other? I don't know. I don't know what that is. I don't know when you're supposed to do that. Here's another one for you that I just refuse to learn. I don't know. If something happens, then it happened. And I'd rather have that happen than something else. Those are the only two sentences I know how to use these correctly. Otherwise, I just 50-50 it. I don't know. It's is possessive. It's equals it is. I know. I still don't know how to use it correctly. That's similar to how you pronounce the following word. For example, a university and our. Yeah. It's when it's not making like the break in your mouth. Sky gray. It is, and it's. They're all different. Japanese actually has this too, where like they have something called rendaku, which is if you have a kanji. So let me think of an example. This is like really egregious. Let's see. Wait, yeah. Okay, okay. Here's a little kanji lesson for everyone. This is the kanji for like fun, or like well, it's like fun or comfort or relaxing, right? It's raku, raku. Yeah. Or sorry. I've already messed up. This has a reading of kaku. So it's its own yomi is kaku, right? Right? So if you see this, it's pronounced kaku. Except sometimes it isn't. If you put this kanji in front of it, I think it's this one. I think this is how you do it. You know what this is? You would think, oh, I'll give you a hint. This one is own, right? And this one should be raku, right? Fucking idiot. It's gaku. Of course. There's an extra thing here. Why? Why? What do you mean it's gaku now? And they're like, oh, there's a rule for it. You don't know what it is, but there's a rule for it. It's different sometimes. It doesn't always follow the rule. There's probably more exceptions than there are things that follow the damn thing, but that looks like Chinese a little. I mean, it's the same characters. Yeah. They're both, it's kanji, so most Japanese kanji is very, very similar to Chinese kanji. There's like a couple differences. Like I know like this one is different. Like this radical, I think is this in Chinese. But like it's just minor stuff like that. Yeah, most kanji is from Chinese. Yep. The onyomi, so like the fact that this is on here and this is kaku is something called the onyomi, which is like the original Chinese readings of it. We should make programming syntax ambiguous to make it more like natural language. It'll make everything easier. If your variable ends with a T, you need to add it. That's fucked up first last. Oh my god, I love it. That's worse to me than like brain fuck. Kanji, yeah, kanji is borrowed Chinese characters. So yeah, there's like the reading for kanji. That's this one. This is the onyomi when it's by itself. So this is raku when it's by itself, and that's like the kunyomi. And then kaku is the like Chinese original way to say it. If you see things by themselves or with hiragana, it's usually the kunyomi reading, and if you see them with other kanji, it's generally the onyomi reading. Isn't that nice? You should learn that rule, and then learn all of the ways that it doesn't work like that anymore. Like you see this guy, you see this character. I'm gonna show you the one that just breaks everything. Hang on, I need to do a thing. What game are we making? I'll show you. Just great question. I'll show you in just a second. I'm being distracted. See this? You see this kanji? You see this kanji? This is te. This is for hand, right? This means your hand. If you see this thing, ignore every rule you've ever learned. Sometimes it's te. Sometimes it's shu. When is it? Which one? Is it if there's hiragana, it must be te? No. No, sometimes it isn't. If it's with other things, must it be shu? Sometimes. But not always. It's so hard, dude. Oh my god. It's so rough. What's another one? Like, I think this one's really fucked up too. So this is like, so it's too many. This is like dry and this is fish. So normally this has its own yomi reading. Normally this has its own yomi reading. But if you put them together, they go back to kunyomi. Why? 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 Language isn't math, that's why. It's hard. Big respects to anyone that can speak more than one. But it's a fun fact about German. The has 16 different words in German that all mean the same thing. What? Why would they do that? What? Der, die, das, dem, den, des. I think English has like 6? I don't know. I prefer E except after C, but only for common words. Most uncommon words disobey English. Yeah. English rules are like basically the same way. My favorite one for English. Actually, let me show the game first. So, Shrey, to answer your question, we are making. Oh, right, the game is broken. I'll show you once I fix it. Where's when the words have slight changes, like the word Itsubashi? Oh, yeah, but the bridge is pronounced bashi, it's not hashi. Yeah, even though it's just modifying the number of the things. The counters in Japanese go fucking crazy. It's like, oh, there's a counter for flat things. There's a counter for like glasses. There's a counter for like everything. There's a general counter, but you can't use it for everything. Like if you have paper, that's like the flat counter. So you say mai, right? If you have drinks, it's bai. That's like the counter for drinks. Except if it's only one drink, it's ippai. Why is it pie now? What the fuck? It's pie. Would you do that? Like that you say my friends and I? Yeah, my friends and I. What are you talking about? Well, you can't be unable to be compod for 3 years. I didn't know and notice. Hey, there you go. Fair enough. I'm still confused why this doesn't work, because you're in the scene. That's what makes this like so weird to me. And it was just working, no? When I turned you into a scene, did it break immediately? Can I put something here to say, I don't know, can I do like, this does the same thing. Why can't you see the map? That's so weird. Only counter I know is general and machines, and also round objects like eggs. All different counters. Why? The flat one actually comes up all the time because like I'll sometimes use it for N. If I have like 1,000 yen or something, you can say like 1 bill, but that's Satsu sometimes. There's also Mai because it's flat, and sometimes fish is Sei, I think, and sometimes it isn't because it's if it's like a whole fish, that's a different counter. If you cut the fish up into like flat pieces of fish, you're back to Mai. What the fuck? Okay, sure. Why the hell not? Right. Okay. After this reference thing, dude, I'm so confused by this. I don't understand why this can't be picked up. Was it working? If you're in a scene, it's because the scene is getting instantiated and getting instantiated outside of this scene, but you're not in the scene tree yet then. You see the guy just think of pointing and showing my fingers how many? I found that the thumbs up can get you very far in this life. Instead of me and my friends went to Yellowstone. Oh yeah, the whole like me and my friends versus like my friends and I thing. What the fuck ever, dude. Hard thing in German is knowing what form of they to use for objects. Someone decided they don't use the neutral form. So it's just like you have to know for each object which one they're supposed to use. Okay, so is there any other way to actually hook you up to this reference? I mean, you can do it here, right? That's kind of gross though. Is that the way I want this to work? I mean, no matter what, we're going to have to instantiate ourselves at some point. Like, we're gonna have to instantiate a character. We might as well do it now. And I guess in that case, this can't be set here because this is on ready. But if it's on ready, you should have the reference to the map. That doesn't make sense. Hang on, let me try it again. I think I would say when someone says that, if me and my friends would be your friends are mean. Dude, it's just such a weird, like, especially when I was learning it, it felt like the same thing that was like, you can't start a sentence with because. Like, why? Who made these rules, huh? And then later in life you learn that like, oh, you can actually, it's totally fine. Okay. Sure, dude. Map reference is null, but you're in the scene. I don't understand. If objects HRT. What? Gendered objects from Spanish? Oh, yeah. Okay. So this doesn't work at all then if you're instantiated via scene. That sucks. Okay. Well, we can set it in a different way then. We just can't set it here. Because how many of these are called in the ready frame though? The issue is it's crashing in its own scene. What? You're right. It's in its own thing. God damn it. That's so fucked up. Okay. That's unsolvable. It can't be here then. It can't be here. You do a lookup for the map node, and if it exists, then use it. True. Who's petting you? Be you. Could be you. It's a redeem on Twitch. It could be anyone. You know. So in the ready, do a lookup for the node. Oh wait. Isn't that what onReady does though? That's what I'm confused about. That's what this should do. Can I make UI with programs? I just want to create the UI without programming because I don't have the knowledge. Huh? Yeah. So there's a lot of things that you can use to like drag and drop UIs together. I can't think of anything off the top of my head. But like in Godot, you can just right click to add like buttons and stuff, right? So like I just added this button to the screen and then I can like drag it around wherever I want. So I'm not like programming where this thing goes directly. Oh, I caught the burger. Wait, no, my burger. Hey, Eldritz, thanks for the follow. I appreciate it. Okay, but yeah, so you can like kind of build UI this way in Godot at least, where you can like just drag things onto the screen and then move them around and like resize them into the thing that you want. And that's a lot less like codey behavior. You still have to hook up the signals and stuff, so that thing might trip you up. But like if you're trying to just do like like UI just for the sake of doing UI. There's lots of tools that you can use that will just let you drag and drop UIs together. Like, not that, I don't know why, this is just the first thing that popped in my head. Like Squarespace can let you do UI and stuff for like a web page, and you don't actually have to know how to code anything. You just drag and drop like widgets onto the screen. But it, like, I'm curious, Glock, what you're talking about specifically for like what you want to make. Yeah. Hey man, I'm entirely new to Godot and game dev stuff. So far, having a blast. Hell yeah, man! I'm so excited for you. Are you doing the game jam as well, or are you just playing around? This tangent brought to you by Squarespace. I don't think I'd ever take a sponsorship from Squarespace. Just throwing it out there. Just throw it out. I'm trying to think of anything I even would take a sponsorship from. It's not much. It has to be G Fuel, of course. Nothing like a drink that's 90% caffeine to really make you feel alive, you know? So if I put this here instead, you're saying I can do this. If I can say map reference equals percent map. I don't fully understand how that's different than doing it on the onReady, but let's see if that works. Breakpoint. Oh, you're good. Keep going. Map to localize based on null and null. So this still doesn't work. Not perfect map. .org. Defaults for beamers now. It's all about the gamer titty energy powder. True. Depends on actually working on a turn-based combat system. Dude, hell yeah. We're doing that too. If I succeed, I might turn into an actual project. I hope you do, man. That's awesome. Keep me updated. That's so exciting. How do you like Godot so far? That's cool you're learning Godot like as your first entry getting into game dev too. I wish that was me. I started with Unity, but I quite like Godot. I think it's very simple, very like usable. I like it a lot. Okay. I'm curious. Okay, let me set the breakpoint here because where are we actually like in the remotes? We're in main. You're so real. I can see you. You're right here. Godot has a find node. That's gonna search through everything though, huh? So I'd have to do it like this. If this is the way I'm gonna do it, I'd rather just spawn in the prefab. Yeah, I'm gonna do it that way. I'm gonna do it that way. This is getting very silly. I think what I need to do is remove this. So I already have it as a scene. Goodbye, player node. You will be missed. Dead. What? I deleted it in the local. Oops. Player character. Delete. Player character's here on ready. You're going to spawn me. Spawn Mr. Skygray. We're gonna say player character scene here. Dots. What can I yoink from this? Great player character. Gonna do instantiate. This. Bar Skygray. It's very weird to use my own name as a thing. And I can say skygray.map reference equals map like this. And then I can say add child. And that should work the same exact way as I had it. Oop. Breakpoint. You're good. Continue on. Confound map to local and base null evidence on null events. You fucking what? I promise I said it. Did I not in the main? I literally did it right here. What? Are you even getting to this? Yeah. No, you're definitely real then. Is something broken with the map? Something that you would resell and sell one day or just for fun? So this one is for the game jam specifically. I think it's kind of against the like spirit of the game jam to charge for this kind of game. Not that I'm against, like, I think if you make a game, you probably should charge money for it. That's how you can like make back the money for the time you put into it. I'm not like against that idea. That being said, all my games are free. I use Twitch as my income. So yeah, if I make a game, congrats. If you exist on Twitch, or if you just, specifically Twitch, you can play the game. If you own a computer and you can go to itch.io, congratulations, you own a copy of every Skygray game. Maybe one day I'll make like, if I make like a bigger project or something, but this I have to finish whatever is done here by Sunday for it to still count for the game jam. So you're gonna see if I can get antibiotics. Have fun finding the one line that ruins everything in your code. Thanks for hanging out first last. I really appreciate it. Try this, make a new function like init sky and do it all there instead of ready, then call it after setting the ref. Try that, see if it works. After adding it as a child. Aerox, hello, so what did you actually break? Okay, Aerox, maybe you know a clean way of doing this. So this is my player character. Hello. They have a reference here to the map. So actually in the class they inherit from, this sets the map reference here. This map is the map that's in the scene, like our main scene. The thing is, like, if I have now prefabbed my character, and so this reference is null every time I use it. Oh boy. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Now what I'm trying to do instead is say, when I instantiate this thing, you can say what the issue is basically now. Okay. Oh god. It's scene unique. I know, but I said it here and it still doesn't work. I said it before I add the child and it's still not working. So I'm saying, hey, you exist now, map reference map, add child, and then it breaks. Yeah? What do you mean, yeah? With another scene unique? What do you mean with an... What? 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 It's the map and the player character scene? Fucking what? It's the what? Wait. What if I just... Hang on, what if I do this? Can I do this? Can I just... Is this gonna fix it for me? Just let it be fixing it for me. Not even function map to... Oh god. Gotta make a separate method and call that instead of doing it in ready. If something isn't in the scene, then it's not in a scene unique. That's accessible, right? It's weird. It's the fact that it's scene unique. Oh my god. Wait, where are we now? We crashed in a different place. I'm curious. Map to local and base nil. On who? Who are you? What is your name, huh? Right size object ID? What are you? A star node? You're the enemy. It's working. It's working. It's working. I have cooked. Wait. You need this too. Map equals... Wait. Map reference equals percent... Wait. I have cooked. I have chefed. Damn it. Oh, it's here. It needs to be set. One before. Hang on. Really? Invalid's button down on null of an instance. What? Who are you? Where even are we right now? What? Eh? What? Wait. Hey, where's my UI? Where? It seems to be missing. Where did it? Oh, hey, it's back. Hey, welcome back, UI. Where have you been? Was that the UI on player? I don't think so. I just accidentally deleted it. Okay, well, it's back now. That's good. And the game immediately crashed. Update character sets on base null of an instance. Wait, what? This fucking game. Selected characters, but you don't exist either. You don't have the map or the character display, huh? You have nothing. You have nothing in this whole world. That's crazy. That's so crazy that you would do that. It's gonna be character display. Enjoy using your scene uniques. That was so fucking... Oh, these are all broken too. No, these are fine. These are actually fine. I thought it was being so slick. Don't you scene uniques that reference stuff outside the scene? Save your sanity. Where were you 4 days ago, huh? Probably streaming the cool 3D games, huh? You're so cool for that. How'd your stream go, by the way? Are you still streaming or no? Not in the scene. Use hard paths or exploited nodes. Can you do? Wait, you can do hard path? Wait. You ended it off. Hey, well, how'd your stream go? How do I do that? This isn't ever changing. I should be able to do this from here. How do I do like a hard path to it? Can I do like main and go through? You know how to do hard paths? I don't know what you mean by that though. Like, what would be the syntax to get to this control from this node? Not quite? Oh, okay. I'll set the reference in. That's okay. So the other thing we need in the character is going to be we need the var, you can always do dot for parent. That seems kind of hacky. Do root node to say root main. That's interesting. Well, maybe I do it that way. Let me try that real quick. So I can go to scene, or I can go to the player character and say for here, it's what, this? Like this? Root node? Root node maybe? So $root main gets the main. Oh! Wait, like this? Has to be a string. But of course, roots, main, and then I can do, what is even the thing here? Your mouth is animated weird? What do you mean by that? Post root name node here. Node name here. What? Is that not how I had it? Explain. Wait. Here? This isn't it? Oh, it's slash root. I see. Slash root main, and then we're gonna go to selected character space, so control. And then selected character display like this. So they got me, yeah. Capitalization matters too, I'm pretty sure. Oh, it's main capital. If this works, honestly, I might just do it this way. Oh, it works, dude. Hell yeah. Hell yeah. What? Wait, back. So I can go to here. I click infect. I click on you. The game crashed. If target is enemy character, return target. Invalid is enemy character on base previously freed. What? Someone deleted themselves a little too quickly. How did you get called already? Eh? There's also visual autoload. Interesting. Okay. Which was supposed to be like the remote tree, but essentially scenes get loaded as a child of root, which is the viewport. Oh. Use call stack, please. I don't know what that means. No, not found character bounding by actual. We'll fix that later. I don't know what call stack means. Stack trace. Ah. Main thread. At unhandled input. If this thing. Target is previously freed? Huh. Have you deleted yourself already? But this is only if target is enemy character. We haven't even. You're fine, dude. You don't need to do that yet. Target's freeing it in the unhandled input. Here's the weird thing though, is it should only do that after this is returned. Why would it queue free before that? Because we don't actually do the infect until right here. Are we getting to here? I know what's happening. I know what's happening. I know what's happening. Watch this. I'm gonna get this in one. I'm gonna get it in one. I already know. If event.press, do you know what's happening? Do you know what's happening? There's two events on this. There's two events that happen when you click the mouse button. There's the pressed and there's the unpressed event. This is my moment, dude. This is my weird arcane Godot knowledge moment. You ready? It just works. It just worked. This is the breakpoint. It didn't crash. It worked. There's two of me now. So sick, dude. I am over here. But dude, we have two of me. Is enemy character on base? No. Ah, well. If target. Something like this. Sometimes this will return nothing if there's nothing in the cell. You say if target. Dude, there's two of me. Hydrate, you got it. I move to here, I click wait. You come towards me. I move to here, I click infect, I click you. We now have another sky grant. I need to set the position to be right here. And I need to set the sprite to be the night sprite still. We're getting closer. We almost have a teammate, dude. We almost have a teammate. Then I need to prefab this and it's gonna break everything again. Can't wait for that. Gonna be super sick. Cool. Love that for me. Okay, so now I need to set the position. Should I do my focus? If Wengi, I feel like we're okay today. I feel like everyone has like in agreement been like really nice about not distracting me during the game jam. It's up to you. It's up to you. I can put the timer up if you want. Yeah, I don't use uniques, seeing uniques to reference stuff outside scenes. Yeah, I shouldn't. That's a good point. So is SkyGray equals false, properties equals properties here, map reference equals map. Before I add this character, I need to set their position. So new character dot, should I say teleport to position. You need to be wherever this thing was, the enemy character, dot get map position like this. So this needs to say wherever you are, stay in that square. So this function doesn't actually exist yet. We need to make this. So on character, we're gonna have this function teleport to position, and we also have get map position, right? Get map position. This is callable from anyone. Cool. So hydrate, you got it. Are you gonna make it so when you infect that they keep their pre-infected stats, fresh stats, etc.? So I don't know yet. Don't know yet. Why write a new if instead of adding an and condition? It's great. It's a great question. Super. What an interesting and very insightful answer that I will prepare for you, because I think there's a lot of nuance as to why you should do it the way that I did it. It's almost like too high level to even explain why you would do it the worst looking and more nested way. But for everyone else's sake, I'll change it to the quote unquote better way. But a good question. I appreciate it. It's a game jam thing. Yeah. It's game jam cut. You wouldn't get it. It's a totally different thing. Thank you for the fix. For information, I wasn't streaming 3D games today. I was playing Ghost Runner and adding a WebSocket to support shenanigans to Steam grab. Screen grab. Dude, hell yeah. How's Ghost Runner? That sounds fun. I don't know what that is, but it sounds fun. It sounds like you're a running go. Sounds like an infinite runner game where perhaps you turn into a vampire in the middle of it. I'm done, I promise. Teleport position, get map position. This is going to say, hey map, I'm going to move to whatever tile that this is. So I need to set my position. We go to character. Update map position is on sprite. Display possible moves. Get map position. We need to teleport to the map position. We need to say map reference. We're going to do this. We're going to say position equals map reference. This is going to be local to map reference to what? It's just map okay. It needs to be map reference. Hey, stay with me. Reference to global. Map reference local to map. Cell that's here. Right? No, map to local. Map to local. And it's going to be the thing that we get passed in. So map position. Pass this in. That will teleport us. These match. That will teleport us to whatever square we are here. So I think this will work now. I move to here. Wait, and turn. You come here. Quick effect. Stay where you are. Nope. You're over there now. Ah, crazy. Is this not getting called? Function teleport to position? Why? Explain yourself. Teleport to position. Enemy character get map position. You haven't. You're not dead yet. You should still exist. No. Put a breakpoint here and here. See what happens. First game is one of my favorite of all time. Second one so far, eh? Cyborg Ninja speedrunning game? Oh my god. I'd recommend the games and the demos, which somehow are still up on Steam. Huh. Yeah, I can give it a shot. In fact, click you. Breakpoints. What are we looking at here? Enemy character equals you. That still makes sense to me. New character here. So we should go into this function. We step through. Position equals map reference to global, map reference, map to local, map position. What's wrong with that? And the map position is -6, -4. You should be there. I know what it is. You ready? Yeah, it's just the order, isn't it? It's just the order. It's always just the order. Yep. Stay there. Ooh, breakpoint. Not a crash. It scared me, but not a... Oh, there's the... Nope. Breakpoint again. You're on my mouse. Get off my mouse. This isn't yours. Good. Wait. There we go. Dude, what the... Yeah, good job. Thank you. Enemy's character on base previously freed. What? What do you mean by that? Oh, because the map still thinks that there's the character there. Right. When you queue free, you need to say, hey, map, I'm dead. Hey, map, I'm all good. Destroy self. We need to say, inform map to clear cell. We're going to say map reference dot clear cell. Clear cell. Like this. Pass self. Yeah, something like this. So our map needs a function to say like, hey, I'm dead. I'm a head out. It's all good. I'm good. Get me out of here. Node reference. This. We're gonna say name to position node reference equals nothing. How do I delete the key? I need to delete the key. Dot remove. How do you delete a key in Godot? What is the magic delete key button? Delete key Godot. I don't know. What? Seriously? You don't need the square brackets around key. Got it. Game data scn object.erase.key. It's a dictionary. This just lets me know what's in a current cell. So I can do this. This isn't actually the map, like the map. This is just keeping track of all of the nodes on the map. That's all. That's all. So I go here. Wait. Showing you which was. Yeah, sorry. I thought you were about to say, like, actually. Hey. How's it going? You can go here, I guess. Wait. If I click this button again and click here, it doesn't crash, right? Yeah, dude. There's officially 2 of me. End turn. And we actually, like, work. It's work. It can give me breaks sometimes. Only sometimes, huh? I need to set the night sprite on this and also make it so that we don't immediately pick up the character. Okay. Okay, we're getting close. We almost have the gameplay loop done. And then what we have to do is Then all we gotta do is fix all the bugs, finish all the features, implement all the art, make everything look nice, and upload it to itch and make sure everything doesn't break. That's it, dude. And then we're done. That's it. I need to show us which player is currently playing, whose turn it is. Maybe an outline. I'm gonna do the Fire Emblem thing, where it like has a pop-up that says player turn when it's your turn. And then when you're done, you click end turn and it'll say enemy turn. Airline or the map POS under them is colored. I'm gonna try to, if I have time, I'm gonna try to modulate the sprite colors a little bit so your characters will be more purple and the enemy. Oh, also the health bars. I forgot. The health bars will let you know. Versace made us health bars. Let me grab them real quick. If they're in our, they're not in our DMs. Versace has health bars, so the enemy characters will have a blue health bar and our infected characters will have purple health bars. So that's one way to show it. Also, if I have time, one of the mechanics I want to implement is every time you beat a stage, you get an upgrade for your parasite, like a roguelike. And when you infect someone, they get the upgraded things. So for example, the Swift Parasite, right? Everyone can move a little bit faster, so you get +1 movement every time you infect a unit, right? Here comes the scope creep. I'm gonna finish the base gameplay first and see if it's fun. Okay. Not that good. I don't even do 2D outside UI. That's 2D. Here's the thing, ArrowX. I'm gonna say something that'll curse to you. 2D games are just UI. 2D games are just UI. That's it. That's all they are. They're just UI. That's it. There you go. Make UI in Blender? Okay. Well, I don't... That's unreconcilable. Yeah, we live in different worlds. We are star-crossed lovers. We cannot make games together. The fuck you mean you make the UI in Blender? That's where you make the models. Models aren't UI. What are you cooking over there, my guy? Squints and scope creep denial? A little bit. A little bit of scope creep is healthy, you know? Because what you don't want is to know if you don't see any scope creep, then how do you know if there's any like how do you know if there's not a secret big scope creep, you know? Better the bug you know than the bug you don't, you know? Models AR can't confirm. I don't know where I was going with that. Don't worry about it. Okay, let me see. You're on my team now. Oh, I need to set the sprite, so the sprite isn't weird. Player characters, new character. So properties, you set the properties here. Here is where we should set the sprites. So let me go to the player character. Where are you, player character? Where are you? Wait, show me your true form. Here, on ready. If you are Sky Gray, you're this. Else, set character sprites based on class. Else, you're gonna have a class. So we're gonna say properties.class. We need a dictionary on this. And actually, both classes can use the same dictionary. So I'm going to put this not here. I'm gonna put this in the character class. So on ready, set the class, set the sprites. We're gonna set the stats. You're gonna set the class sprite. Set class sprites. So if you're Sky Gray, you have the default sprite because I don't want to mess with it. If Sky Gray, if not Sky Gray, if you're not me, you are not that guy. If you're not me, then we're going to have a new variable or a dictionary here. On ready var class to sprites. This equals a dictionary. If you're the knights, we need to load the sprite for the knight. The knight sprite. Knight sprite. Up GE exists? What is that? Never even heard of that. Arcane Wizard. Sorry, my air conditioner just decided to beep. Sprites, knight. Copy path. This. That's. We can say, oh god damn it, it's not animated sprite. It's. We need to change these to be animated sprites, huh? Yeah, we do. We do, don't we? Can I do something a little bit weird here? Like your AC beep was my air fryer beep? I'm so sorry. So, I can just put all the animations in this one thing, yeah? Hear me out. Is that a dumb idea? How bad of an idea is this, huh? I just put all the knights, I put all the class animations in this one animated sprite, this one character sprite. All animations in one thing? Yeah. Because otherwise I have to change this thing. It's not great. Because otherwise I have to prefab this, yeah? I have to put this into a scene, and then I select the correct scene. I guess that is better, because then I can mess with the offsets more directly. Yeah, it's better. I should do it that way. Yeah. Oh, just save the sprite frame resources? I think I'm gonna change this thing to be the resource, because every sprite might have like a slightly different offset. I know the main character, like the Sky Gray sprite, has a different offset than the night sprites. I'll split it up. It's fine. It's fine. But I'm not. Just disappointed. Okay, prefabs. This is Sky sprite. There, yeah. This is the Sky animated sprites. Animated sprites like this. We're going to have different animated sprites for different things. So I'm going to add a new one just to make sure I know what it looks like. Character sprites. Oops. Animated sprite. You always inherit your scene and change stuff from there. I'm going to attach whichever of these. Have I messed with inherited scenes yet? No. I don't even know what that word means. I'm going to make a new one. And I'll say on load, just pick whichever one you're supposed to load based on like which one you should have. So they're all going to be characters, right? So I can, now that this one is prefabbed, I can actually delete this. You have the offset built in, no? It's the offset. It's not here. Oh. Wait, where is it then? Hold up. It's not here, is it? I don't think it has one? I don't know. Basically prefabbing a prefab, they're weird, up to you. Oh, I might actually mess with that then. That might solve the problem that I'm having right now. It could. I don't know. I don't know if it would solve it or not, but it might. Because I basically need this to, like, on instantiation, flip between which of the two animated sprites it should be using, which I can either do with a dictionary here, which is the way I was going to do it, where I have the night and I load whatever, like, asset prefab in this dictionary, and I say, right at the start on the ready frame, load the correct prefab. I think that's the way I'm going to do it. I think that makes the most sense to me. So, hydrate, you got it. Essentially, like, make a new scene that has everything in the original scene, but you can tweak stuff like you do on an instance. Oh. Okay. I want to do it that way, but for time reasons, I'm not learning. I refuse to learn new things. I'm gonna delete this, and I'm gonna make the night sprite and have it line up. I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. New sprite frames. Go here. Let's set this to 11 and default autoplay and loop. We're gonna add in some things. So we're gonna go to assets, sprites, the night. It's only one frame, so I'm gonna say it's one. Select the frame, add it. At least save the sprite frames as a resource, please. Like this? You mean this thing? Resource? This? You want this to be saved? Because wait. Are you saying this is the thing I can resource? Oh shit. Yeah, that's the way to do it. Yeah, totally. How do I do that? Do I need to save this? Save as? Wow, Godot can do it all. Godot can literally do it all. Isn't that crazy? New folder. Sprite animated frames. Animated or sprite frames, I guess. Sprite frames. It's a good what is this? It's a good song. This is JMTR by Kudo. This is a good song, dude. God damn, I'm vibing with this. That's a cat jam. Especially I'm thinking it's my contribution. You say that, but like, I can actually take credit. Wait, whoa. You can take credit for the save as button existing? Like you wrote that? You contributed that to Go? So cool. Every day I learn a new way that you're so cool, Aeroax. Did you ever know that? Hey, you guys should go follow Aeroax's stream. So shout out Aeroax. I always spell your name wrong, but I did this. I can't shout you out again. I have to wait 12 minutes. Didn't write it, but I technically got it added. You're my hero right now. This is the nights. Sprite frames. Save it up. And instead, if I go to my... Where did I put... I don't need the scene anymore. I don't need this prefab. Sky animated sprite. You're gross. I don't like you. I just need to do this. Path? What? No. I say save as. I go back up. Resources. Sprite frames. Sky sprite frames. Dude, that's me. Gotta get going. Wish you luck. Thanks for being here all the time. I appreciate it. Hope to see you around again, dude. This is a dumb issue too. For some reason, they changed the way saving wishes worked in 4 when it was wacky. Why would they? I wonder what the rationale behind like making that change was. So I don't need this anymore. I can just go to here and say, load, and I load resources, and I load sky. And it's perfect. Why am I so big? Am I just the biggest man that ever was? Cannot parse global class enemy character from res enemy character GD. What? What? I'm assuming it's because this class is broken? Oh, this needs character sprite. Yeah, sorry, my bad. That class is like broken now if I don't name it like this. What have I done? What have I done? What have I done? Would you say this song called Jam is Wild? Bed2, that's the name of the thing. Is an Aaron enemy character or something enemy character extends? Yeah. What is it? Cannot reserve a call from character. Oh, so character's broken. Ah. Pass. If you're not me, pass. It's fine. Not resolve class character. You're not Sky Gray. You're not that pal. You're not that guy, pal. You're not that guy. Do I need Sky Gray here? Oh, this should be property. No. That's where you get the class from, you goof. I almost said you goon, and then I remembered that that word doesn't mean what it used to mean. Valding Sky. Character class. If not character class, equals Sky Gray. This. Jeez. Huh. Actually, I don't need to do this anymore. I just do this. I say, how did I do it? Wait, enemy character is character sprite. I go to you. This is called character sprite. I go to the character. The word is losing meaning. Is it racist or sexist or something? Chaz. Goon is a different word now. It's just, I don't know how to explain it to you. It used to mean like a funny way of saying like, oh, you scoundrel, you know, like an old English way of saying like, you goofball, right? Not what it means now. Not what it means. There's something called a goon cave, and I'm gonna leave you with that Google on your own time, you know? When you're in a safe space, when you're mentally prepared for it, just look that up. Look that up sometime. And on a computer that other people aren't gonna check your history. And I'll leave you with that. Sounds racist AF. I promise it's not. Well, I don't know if I should promise that, but I don't believe it to be in its current state. Okay, so I go to this thing. I say character sprites. Character sprites dot animation sprite frames? Do I do dot sprite frames? How do I set the sprite frames? Who would do that? Microsoft browser, basically? Yeah. Animated sprite? Yeah. How do I set the sprite frames? Frame progress, scale sprite? Oh, it's just literally, you just do it. Set sprite frames. Oh, okay. It's gonna do something after the stream. Check DMs later. So I'll do it right now, but not on the screen. Which, I'll make a secret decision. Oh, that requires a little bit more thinkies. I think the first one, because it has toast. Okay, so I should be able to say sprite frames equals, and then I load the sprite frames. So I go to here. Okay, I got you. Equals. Oh, it already loads them for me. But this needs to be the actual thing I'm loading. Okay, so I say Sky Gray. And that is... GeoGebra is better than Desmos? I'm going to give it to you, but only because now when I Google Desmos, it takes me to their stupid website instead of this just a graphing calculator. I'm like, look, I'm sure it's a great website, but I'm here for one reason and one reason only, and you know what it is. It's not to look at your pretty stuff. It's for the graphing calculator. Take me to the... If I want other stuff, Desmos, I'll look it up later. Right now, I need to know the radius of a circle. And that's what it is. Prefabs, resources, sprite frames, sky sprites. We're going to copy path. Paste it in here. One moment, there's a spider on my wall. He's kind of chunky. This is a situation. You don't pay rent. One moment. Don't. I give you one chance. Are you going to pay rent? No reply is death. I'm so sorry. Okay. Okay, situation handled. Be nice to the spider? Look. There, look. If two things. If the spider is outside, I am willing to concede the entirety of the outside to bugs. If we're outside, that is your domain. Totally respect that. I'm not going to mess with you. I hope you don't mess with me. But we're outside, you own that. Got it. You're inside my house, a different set of rules apply. Now listen. If you're in my house, honest to God, and you're just hiding in a corner and you're just eating my bugs, you're a great roommate, you know? You're pulling your weight. I respect the hell out of that. Thank you. Thank you for that, little spider. Awesome. If you're near me though, no, we can't be having that. Can't be doing that. Can't be having that one. But I had a spider in my old apartment. I named him Kevin. He lived behind my bookshelf, and he just ate bugs for me. In the summer, he had a feast. In the winter, I looked for him, and Kevin was gone. He had done what he needed to do, and he left my apartment. It was awesome. He was the best roommate ever. He was better than some of the people roommates I had. He was great. He didn't leave dirty dishes in the sink. Isn't that wild? Isn't that a wild thing that the spider didn't do? I'm not ranting about anything specifically. Don't worry about it. But yeah, no, sorry. If you're on the wall, if you're near me, I don't know about that one there, guy. Okay, sprite frames equals class to sprites. Good. Class to sprites. Character class. Come on, character class. This should load the resource correctly, right? Because it's a sprite frames. .tress? Is that the right thing for this? I think it should be a .trash. I don't actually know. Might break for you? Oh. Hope it doesn't. I mean, I know it's going to break because you can't set the... one of them's not an animated sprite. Huh. They don't appear to exist. Trash equals tech res. Oh, wait. Yeah, the load works. I wouldn't say worked, but I'm a little invisible. Where am I? I'm over here still. If I can, like, get into this guy and affect him. It worked for the night. He's just a little tiny guy. Where am I, though? That's what I'm curious about. That, I don't know about that. That should work. I was thinking the same thing. Oh. Perhaps? Hey, I'm back. Hey, isn't that nice? My scale is all messed up, though. I'm huge. I'm quite massive. I probably need to set a scale for these two. Let's do something like this. It's a game jam. It's a game jam thing. I did this. I did res. I don't know why that broke it. I didn't mean to type it like that, but I don't know. It did break it. Sprites class to sprite scale. This. I need to scale my sprite down. Why wouldn't that break? I have no idea. I'm massive in game. I very much am. Hydrate, you got it. Be careful about their offsprings. What do you mean by that, Surrender? Like right now? That'd be weird. I don't see any spiders. Don't put that in my head. Don't put that evil on me. That's terrifying. Ow. Yeah, I'm looking for spiders. Hang on. Okay. I don't see any spider eggs, but that was a spooky thought. I'm gonna try to move on with my life now. Okay, let me see. I just pick it up and take the spider outside. I'd have to go down 3 flights of steps. Oh god. I'd have to. Yeah, I'd be out of commission for a little bit. Also, it was big. It was a big spider. That's why I didn't do that. Would you? You just type that you would. Did I murder the spider? No, I picked him up and put him outside. Weren't you listening? That's what I just said. That's definitely. I would not do anything else in this world. Everything is big compared to me. God damn it. What is this? I hate the corporate song. Why is this in the play? Ow. No corporate music. Thank you. Back to chiptune. Okay, I need to scale my sprites. No, I don't. I need to finish the gameplay loop. Then I'll scale the sprite. Hydrate, you got it. Finish making things work. You go to here. You go to here. I click weights. You go to here. I go to here. I click infect. I click on you. You have now become a player character. Perfect. Cool. All right, one more thing is on the enemy character, this sprite should be flipped. This character sprites. How do I set that? Flip. Actually, this should not be this. This should be delete. Die. Enemy character, add child node. This is going to be animated sprite 2D, and I'm going to call it character sprite. Character sprite. Character sprite. Did I try my game and died 3 times in the first part? All right, Leviathan, gotta be. Answer me realistically, okay? This isn't a shot at anyone, okay? Do you think the game is too hard, or do you think the tester doesn't have the chops? You know, what kind of spider was it? It had 8 legs. Was the first thing that I noticed, and it was spider shaped, and it was on the wall. So probably I think it's the southern wall, the southern brown wall spider. Was it hairy? Not hairy. Southern wall spider, I think. Sorry, southern brown wall spider, I think is what it was. Get chills hearing you describe spiders. Well, I mean, that's just, everyone knows what a southern wall spider looks like. They're quite prevalent in Tokyo. There is one specifically that I've seen a ton in Japan, and I don't know the name of it, but it's like it's the one with the big butt. I don't know how to describe it. It looks like it has it kind of looks like it has candy going on. You know, like the ants that store like sugar in their body. Ant sugar body. Why is the next words wash Japan? What? Storage. This thing. These ants. The honeypot ants. They kind of looks like this one. Yeah, I don't like this. I'm closing this tab. I don't like bugs. Not a huge fan. I had to check that search. Ant sugar body wash. What is ant sugar body? Man, what are you Googling while I'm not looking, huh? The whole country? Whole country's in on this, huh? Okay, so now this is an anime. This is a character sprite here. And I'm going to just, for now, I'm going to quick load the night sprites. And if you're on the enemy team, you are flipped horizontally. So now he should be looking away from me. Or looking towards me. Perfect. Everything is scaled really poorly. That's fine. End turn, he comes towards me. He's so tiny. It's hilarious. I infected this character. The sprite flips. Hell yeah. Hell yeah. 100% the tester Minecraft, Andy. I didn't want to say it. You know? Yeah, I didn't.
Your streamer human didn't like me and dented me.
The big dead spider. I'm sorry. First of all, I didn't know you were a donator. I mean, this whole situation would have changed if I know you were going to give me $5. Whole situation. Look. I take it back. Let me go get the piece of paper towel I killed you with. I'll put you back on the wall, okay? Does that make things better? I don't know if that makes me better for me, but like, do you want me to bury you? I'll dig a little hole in my front yard. I don't have a front yard actually, but I'm sure my neighbor owns a front yard, and I could just, while they're not looking, just kind of boop. Spider out here sending you monies from you. Oh man. So going to credit, there's 0 indication that you are seeing, and instantly that ends the game. Oh. It's still it sounds like a Minecraft problem. Is Minecraft the new like version of Roblox for? Okay, how do you give money instead of bits or subs? Do I? It's a secret. You don't give me money. You're fine. You're fine. Don't worry about it. You don't need to give me money. No, you can't do it actually. There's no way to donate to me at all. Been a girl gamer. That sounds so derogatory. You know, see how much they imploded in popularity? That's true, but like, Roblox is the one that like, you kind of clown on people for being bad at other games because like it's just Roblox. I don't know. How did you do that then? It's you have to. It's a complicated thing. You know, it's okay. It's okay. You guys know watching on Twitch is free. You don't have to pay anything. Isn't that wild? No, I do have. If you're so inclined, I have a donate thing here, but I cannot give you chargebacks. I'm sorry. Donate, yeah, it doesn't work. Okay, subs feel pretty good. Like, I like when people sub. It makes me feel happy because it's like you're on the platform where you're giving me the money and you're watching me do the thing, and then you don't watch ads, right? But like the donation thing. If Wengi, you're still a student, right? If you're a student, you are literally not allowed to donate to me. I'll refund you. No, no. Students not allowed. I need to put that in there. If I'm a pass from ewall, I will literally just refund you, straight up, because I know you're a student. Students are not allowed. I need to add that to the bio. No, nah. Subs are cool. I like subs, and like it's I don't want to say it's like a small amount of money, but like it's not insignificant, and like it helps me out, you know. And then you don't get ads and all that stuff. Donating, it feels like every time someone donates, I feel like I've scammed you. Like, aha, I made you like me enough to give me money, you fool. Like, I don't know. I definitely appreciate it. Like, I'm not saying like don't ever do it, but like I don't know. How about people in a paid apprenticeship? Do you mean for me personally, or like? Yeah, don't. I'm doing okay. Don't feel like you have this for me. I appreciate from the dead spider, who I'm assuming was Chaz, just based on previous interactions. I very much appreciate it. But yeah, I'll end my spiel. Thank you, dead spider. I'm sorry I killed you. I'm by my sub when mine runs out. I'm more okay with that. Yeah. I think I'm cool with that one. But if I find out you're a student and you donate to me, I will refund you instantly, dude. On my rhythm game a day. God damn it. It is where I spend the most money. Like on non-essential things, straight up. I haven't bought a fridge yet, and I spend money on Sun Voltex every day. Your Streamlabs? Yeah, I'm not the biggest fan. I should maybe switch over. Airwax, I know you do Ko-Fi. Maybe I should switch to Ko-Fi. Ko-Fi seems better. I don't have a fridge. No. I don't own a fridge. I don't know why. I don't have one. It's all good. If I have like non-perishable food I keep in my pantry, and if I want something cold, I'll just go to the convenience. I'm like a minute away. I don't know. I don't know a fridge. My washing machine is broken too. We're roughing it over here. Streamlabs is a direct better replacement for Streamlabs though. I thought they were the same thing. Streamlabs is broken for me? Was that what happened? I don't even remember this stuff anymore, dude. I'm the worst at streaming. I apologize. The bot that just bought up and reads. Oh, I see. Huh. Weird. I don't know if it's like broken or why. Like I had a lot of issues with my PayPal because I moved to Japan and PayPal was like, hey, no. Streamlabs is fundamentally a horrible company. I don't use slobs anymore. Because I definitely don't like slobs. I didn't realize how interconnected all that was. Yeah, I shouldn't be using Streamlabs. You're totally right. Eric, do you like Ko-Fi? Ko-Fi pretty good? Maybe I'll switch to Ko-Fi. What if I tell my sis not to renew my Adobe license and just buy 3 months of tier 1 subs for you? I can't refund subs is what I'll say to that, but I'll be thankful but miffed. I don't know. Be very kind of you, but keep your Adobe subscription. Don't you need that for like art things? Isn't that a thing that you need? Ko-Fi's been good, less alert support, but it's been helpful for long-term stuff. Interesting. Yeah, I feel like Ko-Fi is more of like a donation platform, less of like a subscription thing. I don't actually know too much of how Ko-Fi works. I need to look into it more. I'll put it on the list of things to do eventually. What do I need to do next? I need to fix the thing being picked up immediately. The reason that's happening is when this guy's getting flipped, I need to, in the player character script, yeah, here, when I take this click, when I do this thing, if enemy characters, when I infect the thing, I need to say event dot, what is it? Canceled? What's the thing for like, hey, I use this event, no one else can use it? Because this is an unhandled input. What's the thing for that? Ko-Fi's more for buy me a coffee or essentially Patreon, but better. But for stream specific stuff, it's pretty limited. Hence why I use stream elements. All my alerts in my chat are streamlines. Oh, I see. Handled? Handled? Event on handled? I think this may be wrong syntax. Event handled. Godot. Let's see. Unhandled inputs. Is action pressed? Event as text. If event. Oh, get tree set input is handled. What? Really? The whole tree, huh? That seems... You're not passing the event, though. What? How does that work? Does the tree only handle one event at a time? Surely no, right? Really? Does that work? Here, I infect you. No, there's no way that works. Yeah, set input is handled on base tree. I think it's synchronous, could be wrong. It almost can't be in order, right? That would be ridiculous. There's no way. They would hold up your whole game on one event thing. That seems silly. Event dot It's probably older code. Yeah, maybe that's like a GD3 thing. Event GD. Do it every time. Go to input events. Here we go. You should have a thing. Input event mouse button. Yeah. Where do you inherit from? Input event mouse. Boolean double click. Pressed. Cancelled maybe? If the mouse button event has been cancelled. What? No, I need you to just be like dead. Can I queue free? Ow. Can I queue free on it? Input event mouse? Button mouse global position? Does it inherit from... Oh, an input event probs, yeah? Is cancel... Hey, Surrenda, thanks for the follow, I appreciate it. Would return not just do the same thing? No, because I don't think it would. Because it's already having an implicit return at the end of the input function. Hey, Parrot. What? Wait. Parrot, have you been here the whole time and you weren't following? Huh. Need more clouds to stop the head pet? I see. You're just testing? Testing what? How did you do that? You were following? You're just trying to get the alert to go off again? I thought there was like a cooldown on that. Weird. What's the issue you're having to have to do this? So I only want unhandled inputs to be coming through this. So I want to mark the input as handled because then it will not call this function. How are you guys doing this? I'll let you know, by the way, I get so much dopamine when I hear that little doo-doo-doo sound now. The sub sound, even more dopamine. Oh my god, it's like, oh, it's just the quickest hit. Twitch spam, huh? It's starting to wear off. The hits aren't as strong. Is this what withdrawal is? Viewport set input is handled. Interesting. Viewport set input. So get viewport set input is handled. I see. Dude, I need a fresh one, otherwise I'm gonna start like having some symptoms. Oh, see that one? Oh god, hook that into my veins, dude. Agency Psycho, thanks for gifting this up. God damn. A Django Fett. Appreciate. God, it's like I'm yelling at you. Appreciate the sub. I meant to say, hope you enjoy the sub emotes, but now you have to. Those girl pets. Oh, it's so good. Oh, it's the quickest. Ooh, it's good. Darkwood Dragon, thanks for gifting the sub too. God damn. All right, the bid is over. We're good. We're chilling. We know everything's okay. Thank you. Uh-oh. Okay, hang on. The train can wait. We've had enough. We're good. We're good on trains. Darkwood, thank you for gifting us up. Chobo Knight, congrats. I don't know if you're here right now, but that's my IRL buddy that I need to visit soon. But congrats on having I hope you enjoy this up. And Mars Life, Daniel Doors, therefore Ancient Engineer, AFK Chat. Okay. Here's something funny about Zerfor getting picked from that list. So the way that subs get decided for gifted subs when you just gift subs to the community is it goes in order of followers, and then it goes by like people who watch the channel, and then randomly selects from there, right? That's how it picks. Here's the thing. Zerfor is like he's Jonah. He was the guy I was talking about in that story that one time. He's my like IRL good friend. We've been friends for like several years, right? He is one of my first followers. Which means, Chaz, you have gotten to the point where you have gifted so many subs that it's starting to go back to like the very first people on this channel, and my fears are coming true that we will soon run out of people for you to gift subs to. It's just gonna have to start putting random people on Twitch, dude. There's literally no one left soon. Literally running out of people. Thank you for the 5 gifted subs, Chaz. You're the best. Give it to random people and that fit then? Huh. Yeah, it doesn't actually run out, it just lets you keep doing it. Whack. Well, Mars Life Danger was there for Ancient Energy FK Joe. Enjoy the sub. Enjoy your emotes. Guys, you dox him, you're like, Chaz, we're running out of people. He knows. He's fine. I already know who he is. I can't dox him. Things would stop for you for spending money. I just don't know what happens after you get through all of the followers and watchers. Like where does it go after that? Is there anything? There's nothing left in the list. Anyways, back to this thing. What was it? I don't even remember what it was. Get viewport set input is handled. Do I pass the input? All right, I'm just gonna say enter. Go to here. In fact, go to this. No, because I'm still getting the event to pick you up. That's the weird thing, is I shouldn't be able to pick you up because there's another event coming through. Wait, if event is imp, if not dragging, if, oh, fuck you, game. I have to do it again. If event pressed and event is input mouse button and is on sprite, if it is not moved, start the mouse drag. Okay, that makes sense. Valid expressed on base input event mouse motion. What? What? If is not dragging. If I'm gonna have an annual. This is where I go down. And event.pressed. Are you happy now? Is this what you needed from me? Good job. Thank you. Thank you. Go to here. In fact, click here. Perfect. Perfect. There is apparently control nodes with accept event, but that's all. Interesting. So I can say wait, and now I can pick this guy up because you haven't moved yet. And I can put you over here. And I can have you attack because you have the attack button. Yes, dude. It's working. I still need to make the grids despawn. And also I need to make it so that if you infect, then your move thing is done. So show action range like this. And then I say, if you do this infect, tier 3 subs are so expensive. I'm gonna stick with the 3 months tier 1. Yeah, tier 3 subs are whack. I think it's like $25 or something crazy. And I don't have a different alert, so it'll be the same amount of dopamine. Isn't that the worst? You can't even make me feel better. Do I get to the higher tiers, they're madness? I don't super get the point of that, but maybe some people do. I don't know. I feel like this kind of get memed down of like you tier 3 sub to Pokimane, right? That's like that's the joke. Money, but like, is it not? Like, I don't understand. Yeah, you're right. Okay. Yeah, valid, fair. Yeah, absolutely. That's what it is. You're right. Okay, so I do this. So if is enemy character infect, sky gray infect target like this. Tier 3 sub get more emotes, so it's a flex. If you tier 3 setup. Oh, I didn't know about that actually. If there's a half my allowance for a week, if Wengi, you're definitely not allowed to sub or donate then. Jesus Christ. Nah. Student's not allowed. And some people do extra rewards for higher tiers. I don't agree with it, but I guarantee it makes Twitch more money somehow by being there. That's interesting. Yeah, that feels kind of weird of like, you pay. I'm cool with like sub games and stuff like that. Like, I think that's kind of cool. Like, oh, you play games with the subscribers, and like that puts a filter in between you and like random people as well. So it's not just like followers or something. But like, I'm only playing games with my tier 3s. Like, okay, all right. Interesting. That's my sis to do it then? Wait hang on a minute. I guess you're technically not breaking the rules. If selecting targets equals false. This needs to go back down. So we need to say clear target selection, and also has moved equals true, because you've done an action. Has moved equals true. And we also need to hide the menu. So clear target selection, end action like this, and that'll do the has moved and all that stuff. New emotes. I still think that looks like corn. My sis borrowed me money. I'm gonna ask for her to do it in return for subs later. Wait, what? What the heck? Dude, you're like committing like tax evasion over there or something. Clear target selection. It's gonna say function, clear target selection. I'm just gonna do the thing for now where I tell the grid, the movement grid, hey, everything. Now I can't unsee corn. Sorry. One question, what's more assistant on the straw poll? I don't actually know. I don't know what that is. Hide options. No, yeah, I need a hide option menu, but not yet. Where's the show action? Is it after you're done moving? If it has moved, start drag move, end mouse drag. Display possible moves, is dragging is true. Movement grid, destroy grid. I see. Yeah, get it out of there. So say movement grid, right? Dot destroy grid. Yes, movement grid. Is this not, did I not set the reference? Oh, why do I do this to myself? Movement grid dot destroy. So that clears the target selection. I was hoping you wrote it and wouldn't notice. Wait, huh? This guy scared of such good content. The thing is, I don't show how afraid I am. I just start like making jokes and laughing nervously. So is it good content? Read how it's spelled. The mortuary. Wait, the mortuary is just. What do you mean? What's wrong with how it's spelled? Mortuary? Really now? Oh, I'll be damned. It was spelled wrong. Could have said I would never in my life would have caught it. I need a heart rate monitor? No, my lies will be exposed. I'd have to figure out. I'll research how to like set that up, but no promises in the short term. We don't spell here. Not a day in my life. If I didn't learn in my first 27 years, I'm not learning now. I will say has moves equals true, and we'll say hide the UI. So hide options menu like this. I think that works. So enter and enter and get you close, get you to here. Click infect, click here. Perfect. And now I can't move. Yes, dude. Yes. Game a question. How can I anchor an object to my player character? I want the player to be able to pick up objects, and I feel like the best solution would have an anchor to the object's level position to the character position while they're being handled by the player. One way to do that is... Ooh, that's an interesting thing. So the object, I'm assuming, is staying outside of where the player is. I mean, you can use a remote transform for most of that. Oh, there you go. I was gonna say do the to local, like update its position based on the local or the global of the player character, but I think remote transform maybe actually be the better option there if that's like a built-in node for that. Let's financialize, you know my real name. Not even my close friends or former roommates of 8 years know your real name. Chaz, what? That does not answer. What? Explain yourself right now. Remote transform takes a node path and moves the target based off its position. Oh, so it does the same thing as like the get local, get global thing. Yeah, use that then. Yeah, there you go. I like the art. Thanks, Shinra D. I didn't make it. The Tiny Knight, who I didn't scale properly, is by Rasati, who's also making the rest of the characters. And this one is by TX Pang, who drew me, dude. I'm the main character because I'm so narcissistic. I insisted I be the main character of my own game. Definitely how it happened. Just built in. Neat. Yeah. So apparently the story we've kind of come up with now is that like you are me, time traveling back in time, and you can infect other things to your team. I still need to fix the scale though. That has purple instead of red now. That's how you know I have a parasite. I'm parasite gray. Look at my little arm blades. Aren't they so cool? I think it's cool. I think it's sick. Okay. Speaking of things being sick, we have converted you to my team. What else do we need for like main gameplay loop now? Okay, we need another enemy character. We need 2 of these guys. Okay, let me make another one. Control C. Control V. Enemy character 2. Parasite Sky, fan art, yes. I love the arm blade. I think they're so cool. So the reference image I sent to TX Pang is let me see. I sent him like stuff from Magic the Gathering. So like one of the cool ones I sent was, come on now, come on. Or don't go on my screen, that's fine. This is one of like the reference images I said for something he could like try to make for like a mutation, like a parasitic mutation. And he did it so well. I look like a Zealot SC2. I look like one of these guys now. I love the little arm blade things, dude. Like this arm blade thing, it's so good. It's so good. I love this. This is like my favorite weapon in video games. The like hidden blade / arm blade thing. Love it, dude. So yeah, I look sick as hell. Look at me. It's so cool. I know, dude. Look at it. I'm so cool. Let me like, they have an attack animation for us too that I'll put in at some point, but like here's my idle animation. I'm just dancing with my little blades, and then I can also stab. And like my arm becomes the thing. It's so good. It's so sick. Don't get stabbed now. I'll turn you on I'll put you on my team. Why is it red this time? I just haven't changed this color palette over yet. The reference image I gave to TX Pang was my character model, so they made it red. I just need to change the colors. Oh, good. Oh, good. I'll do it later once I make the game work. Okay, the next part of the gameplay loop is having these things actually attack me and having me attack them. So let's do me attack them first. So, when you say you put us on... That's not what I said. Let's see here. So, when I... Do it later, best words in the game jam. Well, first of all, let me do that. Okay, there's 2 characters actually here. I need to set... You need to be at dead. I'm going to say you go to, I don't know, 5-0? Make you a little bit further away. So this should... Why are you both? Oh, right. You're both literally the same guy. I need to prefab this. Delete. Okay, time to make this a scene. Screenshot of the sprite fan art coming next week. If Wengi, you're so talented. Did I ever tell you that? If Wengi's made some awesome fan art. It's amazing to me that I even get fan art. You guys are the best. I need to make a channel for it in the Discord, but I don't know if I've crossed that threshold yet. If all day all week, no sound in class. I'll type 2 then. Sky wave. There you go. What's up, Rock and Stone, brother? Okay. Time to turn you into a scene. Make into a scene. So our prefabs. This is going to be the enemy character. Rip it, dude. This ready. We should be able to set this position in a different way. There should be a way. Oh, I have the teleport. I have the teleport thing. I can teleport. There, Rock and Stone. Rock and Stone. Hell yeah, dude. Arrow X. Collab stream sometime. We play a little Rock and Stone game. Thoughts? In the abstract, I have no idea when I'll have time. But thoughts? Okay. So you exist here. Press my mouse sometimes and I check after a while. It looks ugly. I have to me. What? Bad opinion. Bad opinion alert. Your art is sick, dude. Twitch integration Rock and Stone? That work? Can you do that? Is that allowed? No, I don't want to. Okay, let's just make you not exist. You're not real. You are not real. I need to set the map reference, but okay. Let's delete this. You're dead to me. Enemy characters. On ready, we're gonna spawn a few enemies. Spawn a few enemy characters. So first we need the scene. So scenes. We're gonna say var enemy scene equals load. I call it scenes, and yet I save them in prefabs. Enemy character like this. Copy path. Drop it in. Enemy scene done. Instantiates, and everything's gonna break. Our new enemy equals this guy. What breaks? Probably the map reference won't be set correctly. Oh, you just don't exist. Add child new enemy. This is gonna break. Gonna break 100%. Yep. Map reference doesn't exist. I need to set the map reference here. There's so many like holes in this code that bother me a little bit, and I just don't have the time to fix them. Like this map reference not being used now, but still being in the code for both character classes is a little bit weird to me, but oh well. Okay, sent map like that. Now I set the reference, and then you should be able to attach. Yes? No. Oh, right. Die. Try again. Cool. And now I can spawn another one and teleport you. So I'm gonna do this, and I'm gonna make another one. We'll call it new enemy 2. I will call it new enemy. And this one I'm gonna teleport to a new spot. So I'm gonna say after I add you to that, new enemy dot teleport. What is the thing? Teleport to cell? Just game don't need to be perfect. Exactly. Yeah. Looked up Coon in Urban Dictionary. Yes, you're correct. Yeah, you can get help. I don't control the things I know. I just control the dissemination of information. You feel me? First one was terrible. The face shape. Wait, what? No, stop it. I'm gonna show it. Ipwengi drew. Hang on. What are you talking about? This is bad. That's a bad opinion. Hang on. Are you talking about the Toho one? Look. It's me playing Toho. Fucking love this picture, dude. I even have my recent Fumo. Come on, dude. Come on, it's so good. Thank you for drawing that, by the way. You're the best. Put that picture on my Twitter. I love it. Showing my Godot to my nerdish homie. What do I tell him? That it's awesome. It's a great engine, and there's a Godot Wild Gem going on right now that you can participate in. And if you want to watch someone stream the game, perhaps you can tune into Twitch TV.skygrade TV to watch someone participate in the game jam. Just things like that, I think, would be a good thing to like get people into the game. I think that'd be cool. Sell it instantly. It's the only way I know how. 5x5. Gonna add this to my game. When you get caught, 0-10 chance to get. Wait, what is this? MGS Detect lead? This is a game jam game. You're not making any money off of it. I think that's actually probably fine. I think that's totally fine. I think you're allowed to do that for a game jam. I think. I don't actually know. I don't know. This is legal advice. Which is that bold? I'm getting better at it. Sounds slightly different. There you go. See? They go like, oh, you made the same thing. Like, no. Slightly different. Where's my teleport thing? I don't remember. Teleport to position. Here we go. That's the one I want. Enemy characters. Teleport to position. Do we have 2 characters on the map? Hell yeah. Do they both move towards me? No. Find closest player to character and base null units. Oh, wait. You need a reference to the player characters, don't you? New enemy dot player characters reference equals percent player characters, because everything is broken and nothing can be loved or wholesome in this world, and everything that we have is temporary, and if you think anything is going well, it's just a setup for waiting for when it goes poorly. And if I go to the enemy characters now, it should have the reference. Nice. Fair, 10 to 15, but yeah, always fair use. Most people like slight different is copied 100%. Website literally says free, there's no issues. Huh, This hurts? Why does this hurt, huh? I once got caught up by principal for drawing in class. Apparently she came to my class because I was one of the top dogs in my grades music test. I had to perform in the morning in front of the whole school. What the what? What? What like a movie sequence of events has happened over there? What the fuck? That's so strange. Why would they make you do that? Isn't it like studies show that like drawing while you're learning helps you learn better anyways? Where's this? Where is this? Null instance, null instance. I'm just gonna run it again. Where's it break? Wait. Player character if it's on base enemy character. Where's the enemy character? Where are you? Enemy character. You don't need this anymore. I give you a new thing. Bar player characters reference. Jeez. You're gonna use this instead. Yes. And in the main thing, you player characters reference, player characters reference. Make sure this all spelled correctly. Ship it, dude. Quick end turn. They move towards me. Do they move towards me like uniquely? So if I wait here. What? Oh, you're underneath me. You're just allowed to do that. Interesting. I didn't know you could. Okay. I jumped when I thought she called me because I wasn't paying attention, but it was because she was trying to make me nervous for the coming month. What? You're not staring at the blackboard, you're not learning actual teacher opinion. It's so stupid, dude. So huge first time Sky started those words directed at him. Hey now. Not the first time, but like the first handful, yeah. If I remember doing some work and listening to YouTube videos and getting in trouble, I did that too because I would just like draw random stuff in my notebook. I was a big fan of drawing cubes and stuff, and they're like, "You're not paying attention." I was like, "I'm listening. I need my hands to be doing something, you know? If they're not doing something, I'm gonna panic. I'm gonna freak out." Not actually, but I'm gonna get really bored. Yeah, it's like I'm being more productive. Like, I don't know. That stuff bothers me. Oh, I can't. I've noticed an issue here. How do I click on this tile? Tile's not clickable. Tile's not clickable at all. Maybe this menu needs to be over here, huh? Yeah, that's bad. Create player character for enemy on base null of an instance. I'm not even gonna worry about why that bug happens yet. Not even gonna worry about it. I'm gonna wait one more. You're gonna come a little bit closer. I'm gonna go to here, click infect. Fact. Create player character from enemy character and base null instance on null of an instance. Oh, right. You're not real now. Right. Could have sworn there's a way to lock menus on the screen. I forget how. Yeah, well, I want it to be on the character still, but like I need it to be out of the way of the thing. I don't know. I'll figure that out in a second. This also needs the reference to the player characters. Oh no, it just needs to be right here. Right. Great. Yeah. Yep. Everything's good. Don't worry about it. Everything's fine. You go to here. I click infect. I infect you. You're on my team now. I can move you over here. I click you. Wait. Now you should see that you're closer and move towards that guy. Yes. Yes, dude. Now I should be able to move here and click attack and click on you. I should do damage to you. You shouldn't just join my team, but all right. Look on me on that is either a feature or those, and not knowing. I see. Apparently everyone's got the virus now. All right, well, the game lives. We're getting closer. A couple things I need to change. The one, we need to make sure in the flood fill, this is actually not working as intended because the flood fill, well, okay, it's sort of working as intended actually. Map here. We need to do this. Where is it? Character position update? Is it my character? Get enemy tile. So, well, yeah, movement cost. This movement cost needs to check if there's like someone in that cell. If someone's in the cell, the movement cost is like 99. Good night, Airlax. Thanks for stopping by, buddy. I hope I see you again. I hope see you around again soon. Always good to see you, man. Take it easy. If you type again, I'll time you out. Such are the rules of the sleep command. God, I love that command so much. It's so good. Actual game. I know, dude. We're getting there. And we have it like we still have tomorrow and Saturday, Sunday, which I'm so much more confident about this game than I am with the old game. So if map bounds has point grid coordinates and get entity at tile grid coordinates and not get entity. In other words, there is nothing at that tile. Then you're allowed to move there. So this should make them get close to me but on top of me. Yes, dude. Why do they do like a little dance? Why are they doing like a little shimmy? I think that's part of the A-star pathfinding. But this is working, dude. They can't go on top of me anymore, and I am not allowed to go on them. And actually, the flood fill should not let me move through them either. I shouldn't be able to go like here. But I'm like getting closer. I can go to here now. I can click infect. You're on my team now. Yes, dude. Wait. Okay, that was a weird. It didn't update immediately. There's lots of bugs still, but we're getting there. We're getting there. I guess guys they can't just wait at their own pace. Finish the tongue expression for me. Spooky. Sleep tight. Don't let the coders bite. Or the spiders, apparently. They're just here. Interface plates are so hard to make. It's amazing that you can even make them, dude. That's so cool. Because they can't go on you, so they have to go somewhere. Then on the next turn, they look for you. Hence the shimmy. I think they're shimmying because in the A-star Pathfinder, I'm not adding the current position they start at as part of one of the possible nodes they can go to an A-star. So the only possible nodes they have that can like get closer to me is one away. Keep it in. That's the silly mode. They just shimmy. Yeah, there's no combat in this game. They just do the sky gray shimmy. Look at him go. I'll time it to the music. This is their animation. They just do a little dance. I love that for them. They look like they're having a good time. So sick. I'm so happy for them. Okay. Next, let me think about... shoot, what's next? I need like the damage part of the game to work. So right now, on action for the character, for the player character, on action right now, I'm just saying infect the target, which is not quite correct. So if event pressed, and we are selecting targets, we do this if we're Sky Gray and we poison people. So we say if event pressed, if class, wait, how do we do this? Character class equals Sky Gray. Then you do this business. Oh, I just have an if here. And let's be honest, this should have its own function. So we're not gonna do it like this. We're gonna go here. We're gonna add function infect target this and back it up. And we say events here. It's our attempt infect action. Yes. And then I do this. Yep. Infect action events. And I can do this and go to here and say if character class is Sky Gray, then we do infect action, past the events. Otherwise, we're a regular character and we do an attack action instead. Else, attack action event. So we need to implement this one. A lot more magic strings. I'll go wait for when you added more strings. This one's okay. This one's just checking the character class. I think this is okay. He says hesitantly. Function, attack action event. So we're gonna do the same thing. Check if is valid target tile. Oh, we can actually, this is the same too. Oh, this is where it splits. Hang on. Maybe there should be attempt action events. Let me say here, if enemy character, let me say if player, if character class equals Sky Gray, then infect, otherwise, else, we're gonna say enemy character dot attack. We're gonna pass ourselves like this. No to mirror dimension, please stay longer. I'll stay for a little bit longer. Attempt action here. Yeah. And the attack I can define in the character class. Oh hell yeah, dude. So if event is pressed, attempt action event. This. Then the attack. Okay. Let me do the attack. So this needs to be defined in the character class itself. So you come close to me, come close to me. I infect you. Congrats, you're on my team. You go to here. I go to here. I click attack. I click on you. This function gets called. Yes, dude, we're getting there. Okay, this thing. Function attack. Now we need to do math. It's math time. We're going to have attacking character. So we need to get the stats of the character. The way we do that... Well, we have the character stats here, but I'm going to use the properties instead. No, I shouldn't do that. The properties are the base stats of the character. I should use the current character stat. Because these have like the current HP. And if I want to do modifiers or something, I can access it through the character stats dictionary. Okay, that makes more sense to me. I'll go through this. Okay. Okay. I say if this is going to depend on the class. What's the ETA on finishing the gameplay loop? This is it. This is the last function, and the game technically works. I guess I don't have like the game over condition, but once I can get it so the characters can attack each other, then that's the game. That's the game. Then it's just cleaning things up, making it look pretty, and then I can add the extra stuff that I wanted to, like the level ups between level, or like the parasite level ups and stuff. But this is the actual base loop of the game. Even though it's like hanging on by a thread, I feel like it's quite buggy still a little bit. But I think we're getting. Okay, so if the character is a mage, it uses the magic stats. If it's a ranger or a knight, it uses the regular stats. So we're gonna say if character class, if the attacking character equals, okay, first we get attacked, and then we're gonna counter attack. So when you hit someone on your turn, like in Fire Emblem, they shoot back at you once you're done. So like if I walk up to you and punch you, once I'm done punching you, you punch me back, right? The point of it being your turn is that you get to hit first. That's it. Yeah. Okay, cool. So if attacking character dot character class. Do I set that up here? I think I set it here. Dot character class. Got the loop down faster. Still 3 whole days left. It's going to be a lot to clean it up, and it's going to be a lot to like add the extra frills, and then I got to scale the sprites, and I got to fix the terrain, and I still got to work with Shotzi on like finishing getting all the terrain back. So I'm optimistic, but there's still quite a bit to do. I'm hoping like tomorrow I can do all like the cleaning, and then I can actually just do the extra stuff Saturday, Sunday. I might leave Sunday entirely for like development stuff, for like exporting to Itch.io and like posting my stuff on the Game Jam Discord and all that kind of stuff. We'll see. Hopefully I'll have everything done by then. That's being quite hopeful, I think. So if your character class equals mage, then we're going to use res, mage res, else use attack defense. So the way the damage is going to work, it's this very, very complicated formula. So var damage equals attacking character magic minus attack defending character us. So what is this? Character stats? Yeah. This character stats resilience. This. More magic strings, don't worry about it. Else damage equals attacking characters attack minus character stats defense, like this. There you go. And this can actually be exported out into a function because we're going to use it. Same thing here. But anyways, we have var damage var damage. We go through the loops, set whatever the damage is going to be. Let me say our character stats, so our current health minus equals damage. That's it, dude. Such complicated complex damage calc. Thank goodness the computer calculates it for us. Could you imagine doing this by hand? Could you imagine? It'd be impossible. It'd be so hard. Please stop. The code is too much. It's basically binary. It's a lot. I'm sorry to have done all this to you. I'm sorry to hurt your eyes like this. Spots typo? Where? Magic? Attack? Current health? Where? You're legally obligated. Not using function attack. Yeah, it's like this. Character stats minus equals damage. This should work. I'm here. Effect. Welcome to the team. I go to here. I click attack. I click on you. It breaks. Defense isn't spelled right, huh? Defense. Are you better with that? Defense. Did I spell it the same wrong way twice? Defense? This all looks the same to me. Defense. Defense. Which fence? These are the same? Are they not the same? What? I don't understand. I'm gonna ship it again. I spelled it wrong in both places. Okay. Oh, really? Wait. How do you spell the word defense? I'll wait just a moment. Defense. Is this how you spell it? Oh. Did you guys know it's a C? Really now? It's a C. Huh. The whole time? That's interesting to me. The whole time it's been a C, huh? The defense or defense? Spelling depends on if you're the type of English. In American English, defense is most common, so self-defense is correct. Huh. It's UK versus US spelling. Huh. Whack. I feel like I like the UK spelling better. It should be a C. Defense sounds better. Yeah. Yeah. Why do we use an S? That's messed up. Messed up, dude. God, I hate this language. So is it spelled? I didn't even check. Is it spelled correctly here then? Am I even defense? Am I even close? No, defense. Is that what you are? Yeah. Okay, we're good. Resilience. Oh, is it resilience? Resilience? How did I spell it wrong? Resilience? Oh, it's with an E, huh? Oh, look at that. Resilience. Sick. Damn. I don't know, but I'd love to have a house with a fence. Me, I'd come and defense your house, you know? I use defense because I'm from a UK prison colony. I see. Shit, am I weird for consuming content with an S and writing it with an S? Huh? Wait, with an S and writing with an S. I prefer the C version. I also spell my, like, sky gray. I spell it the UK way as well. I think E sounds cooler. Oh, it's... Right, I have... The amount of damage I've done with one misspelling is actually insane. What's called fencing and not fencing? What? No way. Wait, what? Is that real? Nah. Nah. Rad. That's so cool. So fencing has to do with defense. Oh. It's all coming together, dude. Mind blown too? Every day. Every day. And this has been misspelled the whole time. So I need to reset the resources that I did with this. The enemy knights, you have 15 resilience. You're a tanky boy. And me, Sky Gray? Dude, so our character stats have to just be absolutely abysmal because we are OP as hell. We literally flip someone to our team. So our stats are, they gotta be just the worst. I gave us only 4 movement. Oh, right. It's wrong everywhere, isn't it? Cool. Yeah, our stats have to be absolutely just the worst. Oh no, that's interesting. You don't count this spot in the flood fill now because you were previously occupying that spot. Weird. Weird. This update should only happen at the end. I know what's causing that, but I'll fix it in a bit. Infect. You guys know having one range sucks? I can't click on my own character. Infect. Go to this tile. Infect this guy. You're on my team now. Congratulations. We're gonna wait for this guy to get close. I can click on this guy. He currently has 30 HP. I can go to here. I can click attack. I click on you. Damn it. Invalid defense. Oh boy. On base dictionary. We're talking about this is right here. What? What? Defense. Valid index defense on base dictionary. What's the dictionary? Wait. Character no, what is the thing? What is your thing? Map preference properties, attacking character, damage. Where's the guy? Character stats. Dictionary size 0. What? What? These are like our stats though. Oh, I know what it is. Watch this. This is a really weird thing that I didn't think about. This ready. Not calling the parent ready. That's why this is happening. This will fix it. That penny every time you said defense, I'd have more than 5 pennies. Isn't that wild? Is there any making of changing our side? No, it's because I didn't set the ready function to go off. Back to you. You're on my team now. Congrats. We're not in the same tile, are we? Okay. Don't know why that happened. That needs to be fixed. I attack you. Damn it. Not options callable and int operator. What? What? Attacking character attack minus character stats defense. Int and operator minus callable and int. Oh, this I see. This needs to be your character stats, like this. Dot character stat. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Everything makes sense now. Everything's fine. Everything's good. Hello, welcome to my team. In fact, you're on my team now. Congrats. We're gonna wait. End turn. You go to here. Attack. Attack this guy. Damn it. Current health. On base dictionary. Oh, it needs to be this again? No. Current health. This is not a thing? Try again. We'll try one more time. Zoop. In fact. HP versus health. It's so gross. Attack. What? What is that? Start over. None of that made sense. In fact, you're on my team now. What's health do you have? You have 30 health. You also have 30 health. I should be able to go to here and click attack. And now you have how much health? You still have 30 health, huh? That's interesting. Why? Character stats. Yeah, you should have your current HP reduced. What? Your current HP minus equals damage. Eh? What time is it in Japan? 9:18. Why did this not update your current HP? That's weird. Let me see if it's actually updating it. Good night, Leviathan. Take it easy, buddy. It's always good to see you. Hope to see you again. Hope to see you again soon, and good luck on your game. I know it will be great. Why are you both here? Attack you. Breakpoint. Okay, let's see. So character stats. Character stats. Max HP. Current HP. That is the same number. Why is that the same number, huh? Is this not doing anything? What is damage? Is damage 0? Damage is 0 because our attack and defense are the same stat. Right. And let's go to the enemy knights. Your attack is 20. Why not? You're very strong. Congratulations. Try again. Effect. Welcome to the team. One more time. Attack. Okay, so you have 30 health. I attack. Breakpoints. What is the current health set to now? Where's the thing? Where's the characters? Character sprite, character scale. Character stats. Here we go. Current HP is 25. Perfect. So if I click on you, you still have 30 health, huh? Why is that? This is not updating at all. This only updates for me? What? Why? That's not right. Why is this like stuck? No, this is stuck on one of the knights. It's just not updating for me. If I click on me, it should show my stats. My stats aren't this good. Wait, what? Do only player characters? Can only player characters have their stats things? Hey, Painful Paladins, how's it going? Hey, Painful Paladins, funny story. I've called you Painful Pandas for the last like 10 times you've talked, and I did not realize until the last time I was watching the VOD that I've said your name wrong every single time. How's it going? I cannot read. It's difficult for me, and I struggle with it quite a bit. Hydrate, you got it. Okay, I think this enemy character, or wait, it's in character here, right? It should be on the unhandled input events. You don't have this. Sky watches the VODs every day? Some days, because I sometimes I do editing, and, like make a clip. I haven't done it recently because I've been really busy with like school and stuff, but I think next week I'm gonna start making the shorts clips again. So people really liked them. Gonna go to bed. I'll find the big dead spider in my dreams, and we'll chill in peace together. Take it easy, Chaz. Thanks for hanging out, buddy. Actually, I think for everyone here, it is actually quite late here. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. Welcome to the mirror dimension, everybody. Welcome. Muscles Explode clip was my favorite. That was not to talk, but I want to say one thing. I've committed my change to VCS, and I have 1,612 changes. It's like ever adding much of Kenny assets. Makes me any better. Mine's not even on VCS yet. Hydrate. One less hydrate for the day. And that's the rest of the water that I have. Isn't that sad? Yeah, welcome to the mirror dimension, everybody. We got a lot done today. We are so close to finishing out the main gameplay loop. I'm so excited. Once we do that, I'll work on making everything look really, really, really clean? I said I'd do anything for 6 views. Basically, yeah. Yeah, thanks for hanging out, everybody. Thank you, Chaz and Chinchi Psycho, for the gifted subs, and Darkwood as well. Let me make sure I get your name 100% correct before I do a painful paladin's mess time on this. Yeah, thank you for the gifted subs, everybody. GG. Thank you, Zeku. Thank you. Thank you. Remember my revisions for tomorrow since it's a holiday, but should I work on my mod project first? Revision first. Revision second. Do the things you have to do first. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Yeah, thank you for hanging out, everybody. I had such a good time. I'll be back tomorrow, 6 p.m. JST. We're working on the game some more. We got 3 days left. 3 days left to polish this up. If I can swing it, I might do a longer stream on Sunday too, to like just get some more work done and do some dev activities and stuff. So yeah, we'll see. Until then, my voice is cooked. Thank you for being here. Now let's figure out who we want to host. Chura's online. Chura's online. But I haven't hosted a new person in a while. Let me see if there's anyone. Oh, we're like high up today. Damn, that's us, dude. Crazy. Is there any VTubers streaming? Any VTubers? Category's kind of dead today. Neat. Oh, there's like no channels at all. Man. Cool. Neat. I don't see any other VTubers. Alright, it's probably Chura then. Yeah, I'll send it over to Chura. Cool. Raid. Chura Chomp. See what they're working on? Wait. Are they at their computer? Wait. Yep, okay, they're there. Cool. Okay. Hey, everybody. Hopefully see you tomorrow. Have a good day. All that stuff. I'm very tired, but goodbye to YouTube. You guys get the extra special. I can't rate on YouTube.